going on YouTube? This market is I think Hobbs went to the corner store, talked to some shady man, found a steroid named Nvidia, and just decided to inject it into NQ and ES because good Lord have mercy, did we call it? We told y'all yesterday, and I kept reiterating it after Hobbs left. We were gonna sell off, and then people was gonna buy Nvidia up. Me and Hobbs had this market dead to rights, and yeah. I didn't trade it though. I'm not gonna lie. I my computer was messing up yesterday, so I didn't even trade my one micro. I did paper trade it, however. I don't even want to talk about the paper trade and how much it's up right now because it's
bad. But yesterday was absolutely insane. I feel like everybody that's here. First of all, good morning, everybody. But I feel like everybody that's here is kind of like, if you didn't trade yesterday, right? And you didn't trade the news or the overnight session. The amount of FOMO and euphoria that I feel right now, I had to take a nap. I was like, let me just go to bed, because with the market, when the market goes crazy like that, like the supply and demand or reversal trader in me wants to short the heck out of it, right? But the logical person of me, right, is like, you can't move the market. So if the market wants to continue to go up, you just got to let it go up, right? But then the classy trader in me doesn't feel comfortable longing the market at the highs up here. Like, this is crazy. But yes, as usual, we did. The analysis was absolutely on point. I told you guys we potentially going down to 362. We came down to 372. So I got it within 9 or 10 points. I did not have us rally. I had us coming back up to the 9s by like Friday or Monday. I did not have us waking up this morning being at 900. The NASDAQ is up. Just to put this in context, the NASDAQ is up 5% from 2 p.m. last night to this morning, and the market hasn't even opened yet. 5% is equivalent to about 600 points on the NASDAQ, which is absolutely insane. Like, that makes no sense. Like, I don't think I've ever seen this. And that's why, like, I've given my analysis or my thesis on kind of where I see this market going. Like, I don't think this bull run has even started, to be honest with you. I think that the spark that got lit yesterday is going to be the one that takes us to another stratosphere. And all it's going to take, in my opinion, is one more tech stock to go absolutely nuclear. And I think Amazon is going to be that one now that it's in the Dow Jones. Then they got cars coming out. They got, the Apple car might come out soon. Like, people were buying calls in Nvidia. Big money was loading in the calls on Nvidia that don't expire until 2026 last night. Just let that sink in. You think that they trying to send this market down anytime soon? Probably not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by the Trader Shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. That being said, that guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs, and we're going to get right into this pre-market plan. Oh, and they selling tiny houses? Come on, man. Like,
I think they've been doing that, Bray. I think they've been doing that for a little minute, though.
Well, I think she was just reiterating that they also have more revenue coming in from real estate as well. So,
yeah.
Macro. Here's my macro plan, ladies and gentlemen. Now, just remember, let me go through my plan, and I'm gonna give you the just remember stuff. So my macro plan is, in big capital letters, I wrote to myself, the bulls are back in town. Look for areas to get long and only look for shorts at higher time frame supply zones. I should put that as I'm not looking for shorts. Anyway, bearish. Look to short weak rallies into 4-hour supply at 947. I had no idea we would be way up here at this point, but here we are. Through 18,030, and look to target the 1-hour demand at 17,816.75. Bullish number one. I'm looking at this 1-hour demand zone right here. So I'm going to be looking to see if buyers can defend. If we can even come down here, I assume the market is going to sell off for at least 60 to 100 points to start the day. Like, that would make sense, but nothing's made sense so far. But in the event that we do sell off, I would like to see buyers defend 1-hour demand at 17,816.75 through 17,784. And we can look to long the market, targeting 4-hour supply at 947.50 through 18,034. In the event we come down a little further, which would be excellent, give us New York traders a chance to play, right? Look for buyers to defend 45-minute demand at 17,723 through 17,764, and we can look to long the market targeting 816. Now, before I pass it to Justin, there's some things I want to talk to you guys about. All right. First and foremost, understand what just happened, right? On the 4 hour or the 1 hour, right? Whichever one you want to look at. We just broke through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different swings in less than 24 hours. The market has not consolidated at all this entire rally. Okay. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because there's a high possibility that New York session could be a straight up chop fest and we could consolidate kind of like we did yesterday, because everybody's going to come in here with two thoughts. As a reversal trader, you're looking for ways to get short, right? As a continuation trader, only thing you want to do is long the market, right? So what is the market going to do that can screw everybody? And everybody is up so much money right now, the market's going to try to get that money back, right? So just keep that in mind, that after we break above major structure and we broke above, I just pointed out 7 different swings, I expect, or I'm anticipating, a nice consolidation for a little bit, right? I'm not telling you that that's exactly what's going to happen. I'm just telling you I'm going to be very patient this morning, because I know if we break over a 15-minute structure, we consolidate. And we just broke through, I can't even count how many swings. Like I said, it's a big deal. So just food for thought. That's how I'm mentally preparing myself. I hope that helped you out. Justin, what you got for ES, sir?
Let me switch over to ES real fast. Sorry, I was doing something on NQ, although I completely agree with you. So ES, me and Bray, everybody else, all other 15 people of y'all can disregard everything. Just me and Bray right now.
Justin doesn't trade. Justin doesn't trade ES anymore. Just saying.
Don't let him know that. All right.
He's fooling you.
All right, so ES did some crazy stuff as well. It's up like I think 108 points since yesterday's news. And like Hobbs is saying, we broke. Not only did we break this week, or no, this would have been a strong high. Not only did we pretty much break this strong high because it failed to break over this high, but we also broke above all-time highs on ES, which is absolutely insane. Nvidia now might as well be married to the S&P 500 as well, because Apple didn't do anything. And so definitely going to be using Nvidia as a key indicator for ES. My levels on the day are 50, 53, 50 for a pullback back into this area to potentially go long, and 50, 33, 25 again to potentially go long. I don't have a short thesis because we're at all-time highs, although I will say there's only 2 ways I would potentially get short on ES. One way would be if we run this all-time high that we have at 50.68 and I can spot some trapped buyers, then I would potentially try to short it, but that'd be a very, very risky trade. The other thing that I would try to short is if we start to come down, I would wait for a break of structure on the lower time frames to potentially try to short, knowing that this is just scalps and that it wouldn't be a full-on reversal. But you have to remember that right now, a lot of people will be looking to take profit. So in my opinion, any selling that we see won't necessarily be true selling, right? Like, it'll be people who are just getting out of their positions that are up massively from yesterday, which could mean that a lot of retail traders who jump in just because they see red could become trapped on pullbacks. Because let's face it, we're back in the uptrend and we just broke over some really major structure on ES, including all-time highs. So in my opinion, there's no real reason to short the market at the moment. That doesn't mean it can't change throughout the day. And like Hobbs also said, when we rally 100 points, right, 9 times out of 10, we're most likely going to be in range the next day, because people are going to be selling and buying without really moving the market because we move so much. So it's really important today to be very, very patient and to look for quality setups over quantity setups. Also, we have PMI at 945 today. So that should also move the market a little bit. And that might be the catalyst to get us jumping back to the upside. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I got for ES.
Yeah, no doubt. And then Sharon says, do you review those charts in the Discord? I review everything in the Discord. So if there's a question about anything, we review it together. I go through in every single detail, much more detail than I do here on YouTube. So hope that answers your question. Good morning, Bray. Good morning, Yimmy. This is a nice emoji. What is that? Good morning, Shane. And then Shane says there's a 50% gap fill today. I don't know. I mean, there's gonna be gaps all over the place. The market can vary. If any, like I said, to me, the market should sell off this morning. Will it? I don't know. I've watched this market during Tokyo and London try to sell off, and it's been hard. But if it's gonna sell off, New York session would be a good session to sell off because, like you said, a lot of people are gonna be in profit. Getting more comfortable in NQ. My paper trade is gonna trade it after I pass this account. Very nice, very nice. Good morning, Void. Good morning, King LA Tour. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh man, what a day, man! What a day. I was so sick. My wife was like, "You okay?" I was like, "No." I was like, "I'm not okay." She's like, "Do you have a bad day?" I said, "That's the thing." I said, "I didn't even have a bad day. It's just the fact that I missed the opportunity of a lifetime. Not necessarily of a lifetime, but good Lord, that was easy money."
I mean, it'll happen again. More than likely, at some point, Nvidia is gonna sell off like horribly. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, they're gonna have a day where they dump, and it's gonna be on an earnings day, and we're gonna know what's gonna happen because Nvidia can't go up forever. I mean, hell.
Well, the thing was that if you guys check my Twitter page, it wasn't that I didn't trade it. It's the fact that I didn't trade it, but it's the fact that in my freaking top-down analysis, I called the bottom. Like literally the exact number that Nvidia bounced off of, I called it and I didn't trade it, right? Like that's sickening, right? But 412, 25, and then 362 was my level. We missed the 362 by 10 points, so I'm counting that. Good morning, Twice. How you doing? Good morning, Micaiah. How are you? Getting that early morning sell-off, which is exactly what I really wanted to see. So I'd love to see a nice sell-off into what is that? What is my level over here?
$72. Jesus Christ. Makai said dumping Nvidia was the right call. People made money and should have sold and taken profits. Wait for a pullback and buy back in, but take your profits. I mean, I think that's what they did. I think that's what they've been doing for the past like week and some change. Is
exactly what they're doing.
They bought it up and then they dumped it because they knew that it was going to come back up for the earnings. Yep. So they brought it all the way back up to the all-time high, and now they're going to continue to buy. I don't think Nvidia is not done. Like they're going to continue to buy Nvidia. No. Maybe not today. Maybe today today probably.
Nah, they gonna buy it up today too.
Nah, I think it'll normally when we run like this. There's going to be people who have massive FOMO who missed a 73-point rally, who are going to be or $73 rally, and they're going to try to buy Nvidia. They'll try to buy it, but it's not going to work because they can't move the market. Nvidia will either stay.
Did you say $73?
$73 rally.
Is that all it was? You sure?
I mean, right now it's up $74.
Oh, this thing came from the depths of the hell, though. This thing came from. Remember at like 3 o'clock, it was at 6:45. It went from 6:45. Yeah, it came from 6:45 to 7:76, bro. This thing went stupid.
Yeah, but I mean, again, none of the option traders could have taken profit. That sucks though, because they was probably it. If you but
you're assuming you're assuming all the day traders are options traders. There's people that buy the stock that's been killing this thing. They trade just the stock.
I get it, but I guess what I'm saying is that it's up $74 right now, and people when this market opens, it's probably going to still be up around this price. Like, I mean, market's open in 15 minutes. I don't suspect we're going to go much higher than where we're at right now, but there's going to be a lot of people who are going to be FOMOing into Nvidia.
Justin, you are underestimating what is. I'm telling you, I don't think everybody that could buy has bought in yet. That's my point. It's like a lot of people will wait until after the earnings because they got so much money. They ain't really tripping. They'll just wait to the New York session and they'll buy it up. If anything, I think we get a small pullback, and then they're gonna run this thing up. Like, I don't even think they started yet, bro. Like, I think that it's just like the last time. Remember the last time they had earnings? They rallied, and we was like, yeah, it's gonna sell off. You know, that was at 400, 300, and next thing you know, it rallied to 4, and then it rallied to 5, and then it had earnings. It sold off again. We was like, yeah, no way Nvidia's going any higher than that. Now it's at 750. Yeah, exactly. The reality is when you went, yeah, you tell yourself like, I don't want to buy the top. You know what I mean? When I posted the picture this morning, it was like 2 a.m. I was like, man, I'm going back to bed. That was at 17,822. I came back here. The market was at 1940. I was like, or 18 or 17,940 or something like that. I was like, come on, bro.
I guess we'll see. I don't know. I've just seen historically. I mean, it could be wrong. I mean, we could rally, but most of the time when we get these rallies, the next day is pretty much a sideways day. But I mean, Nvidia might be built different. I don't know. We'll see.
It just reminds me of those. It reminds me of those Tesla days, right? Like the market is so euphoric because Nvidia is a new toy, right? And every time they put up, I mean, the earnings expectations for Nvidia was so high. It was higher than any earnings expectations ever for a tech company. And they didn't just meet them, they beat them by like 11%. So it's like, all right, so I guess the market's like, all right, well, I guess we'll set the bar even higher next time. But for now, we're just going to keep buying it up because there's no reason not to. Basically, Nvidia is going to keep going, in my opinion, until they yell stock split. Because at this point, the sky's the limit. Because it's only, you really think about it, you got big bread. Nvidia is worth so much money. It's worth 1.7, but let's say it's projected to go to 3 or $4 trillion or like a $3 trillion market cap. That means it's still got some room to squeeze. So big money, like, yep, we'll still buy it. I got a trend line from all-time high on NQ on the 1 hour. I need to see that break with conviction to even think of longing this today.
We're pretty far away from all-time highs. We're still another like 300 points ish away, maybe 200 point ish away. That's 250.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. He's saying until we get above that trend line.
Oh, unless you're talking about this.
That's what he's talking about.
Right?
That's what he's talking about.
Okay.
He said in order to long the market, he needs to see us get above that trend. Basically, he wants to see that trend break to determine whether or not we're going to have continuation to the upside. In other words, he's looking at this as like one big ass pullback.
That could be true.
Which I don't disagree with. But it's just the only thing that I would say to take into consideration is the fact that ES has just gone crazy. ES has hit its all-time high. So the question is ES stronger or leading the way? Is ES stronger or is it leading the way? That's the question.
Well, I would say nice ES didn't sell off nearly as far as NQ did. So it's probably why, because ES never broke structure to the downside, whereas NQ 100% made a lower low before coming back up. So ES had a lot less room to move up than to get to all-time highs than NQ does or did.
Facts.
So
yeah, I added that trend line too. That's a really nice trend line, man.
No, it is a nice trend line.
That's freaking perfect. That's a really perfect trend line. I went on and stole that from you. Thank you.
Makai, watch this be a whole fake out from the bulls, and they're all taking profit. They're all trapping retail traders who are euphoric about Nvidia only to drop the market today, and then they'll just buy it right back up. What's up, bud? Makai said there's no way Nvidia wasn't gonna beat all that injection of money. Yeah,
no way. It was impossible. There was no doubt in my mind. We said, Justin said it. He said, "Yeah, I'm gonna paper trade it, but I'm not even looking at shorts. Like, there's no reason to even look at shorts."
Yeah, I think pretty much everybody knew what was gonna happen with Nvidia. That's almost like during this reminds me of during COVID, like right after COVID when Netflix kept dumping and everybody knew everybody knew to short Netflix because Netflix was going down at least $200 or $300. I think one time Netflix dropped like 400 in a single day, and it was like people was making crazy money on Netflix puts. It was nuts.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, facts. I agree. Just play what you see. No way to tell what the market's gonna do. Yeah, nope. I mean, you gotta play what you see, but you also have to have a thesis too, right? You gotta have a game plan as well for what the market could potentially do. That's all we discuss really is like we have our areas of interest that we create, and then we just wait for the market to come down to those areas or up to those areas and see what they do. And I mean, right now the market's bullish and there's no real reason to short the market. But I'm not opposed to shorting the market. I don't care what Nvidia is doing, except for if it's going up, that I will not short it. But as long as the market is in this uptrend, I don't see a reason to short it until it changes, right? So we'll see. We just made a higher low or a lower higher low. Is that higher? I always get them confused. Is that higher low? Yeah, higher low, lower high, right? Lower high.
Yes, the lower high, man. It's freaking rocket science. Justin.
It is rocket science. Yeah, we just made a lower. We just made a lower high here, so we'll see what happens.
I just let you play with it for a while. I was like, let me see how long it's gonna take.
Nah, you tell me if I was wrong. Name spread is in the business.
You were wrong at first.
Whatever. Name spread said I passed a 50K account off Nvidia earnings in 20 minutes with 2 minis. Nice. Let's go.
That'll do it.
Let's go.
They had that 1 day pass going on for Apex too.
Yeah,
1 day pass and 90% off right now. So
Shane said going to watch 40s into WPOC for bid/balance for continuation. What 40s? What's the number before? Is it 940s, 840s? I'm assuming. I guess it's 840s. Then
I'm just glad to see us selling off some. Goodness.
Hustle for Life, we're here catching half bodies. He didn't catch the full 10, but he caught a 5.
I'm about to take this market long too. I think we're about to push.
He shorted it. Oh, 50-40. Okay, on ES. Gotcha. Yeah, ES is looking kind of bearish at the moment, but that could change. We just got these long wicks on the 2 hour. No, 5 minute.
See if we can't push above 80, 85 and get a pullback.
Yeah, this market's about to open. You get. Oh my god, my chart screen was like nowhere near where it needed to be. I got lines here that I don't even remember drawing.
Just get above 85. Scoot up there. Oh, okay. Just chop around it.
Okay. We're gonna keep listening.
The music jamming. The music was jamming yesterday too. I was listening to I like to go back and rewatch the stream, and I was watching the stream in the whip because I had to go get my son. His wifey's sick, so I was rewatching the stream yesterday, and I was riding in the car. I got the nice little surround sound in the car. I was like, "Dang, what's that thumping?" I said, "Is somebody next to me playing some music?" And then I turned to, it was the stream. I was like, "Oh shoot, that's us." Oh man. Come on down, market. Yo, market.
There's selling pressure, but
they in here.
But I think this selling pressure is profit taking, in my opinion.
All right, Hustle for Life, take it easy. Come on down.
Kai says could be a dump at open as people take profits. Yeah, potentially. That's what I'm. Oh my god, look at that.
I was like, I don't think so.
Good morning. I got rug. Hope you don't have AT&T service Service down nationwide, down since 3 a.m. I heard about that. I heard it was more than AT&T. I heard Verizon and T-Mobile also are having service problems. Probably Russia. Or China.
I have Verizon. I don't have service problems.
Yeah, I got T-Mobile. I don't have service problems either. But I heard about AT&T this morning. Let's see what's about to happen.
You know why.
No reason.
He said for no reason. All right. You don't know, you better ask somebody. Are we open? Because we ain't moving. I was about to say.
We got 5 more minutes until market opens up. It looks like yeah, I'm definitely gonna let this play out a little bit here. Micaiah said there's a head and shoulders on the 5-minute NQ, but I don't know. It looks like it.
Looks like an inverse is forming on the 1 minute. Inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute. I just want to see us trade above 85. Too. If we can trade above 85, I'll look to get long at 74. So I get the feeling I feel like we're about to pump. I don't think we're gonna dump. I think if we were gonna dump, we would have dumped. Oh, excuse me, we would have dumped for that news candle, and the news candle barely moved us anywhere. Like we couldn't even come down 20 points for a news candle. So I'm more so looking to get long here. Just waiting to see what Price wants to do here.
Yeah, I think for me, I want to start looking for longer term longs as holds at 827. Come down to 827. That'd be my area where I'd want to start looking for a vicious bounce if we start selling off. I got Ruggs and no puts for me today. I see it going.
Hell nah. You better not mess with no puts today. Today is not the day, sir. Not today, sir.
Oh, let's check the I don't know how I got rid of it. How do I add the tilt thing back? I don't even know.
How'd you get rid of it? That's the question.
I think I X'd out of it somehow. I don't know what these are though. What is this? Oh, okay, I got it back. Let's see if I can put it down here. I don't know how I can put it back though. Bruh, on the S&P, it says 100% of people are long right now.
No, it doesn't.
That's what it says. It says 100% of people are long, and on the NASDAQ, I feel like this is wrong because this is
I'm about to short this thing.
Well, no. You know why I think it. He
said 100%. No way. No, mine says 54%.
Okay, I was about to say because my NASDAQ says it's 100% of people are short. So like this can't be right.
I just took a long at 79. We kept tapping that thing, so I'm gonna take this. I might take this 100 off real quick.
Oh, that's how that works.
I'm gonna squeeze it for 4 points real good. I know. I'm gonna just go to break even and see what happens. It looks good. I think we want to push out of here. I've been watching this area for this inverse head and shoulders. I'm not gonna give it much. I'm squeezing it tight. There we go. I don't have a TP. I don't trade with a TP anymore. Anytime I hit the button, it just goes to a 5-point stop loss. That's it. I took TP off. I was like, I don't fucking need a TP. Like, oh no. Let me squeeze it for 5 real quick.
Well, we did just.
I'm loading. I'm locking in 5 right there.
Yeah, we broke nicely above there. I think Valdez might be right. I think they might buy this up real fast. Oh, I'm not trying to get short. Trust and believe. I need to see a lot to get short today.
Locking in 10 right there, ladies and gents. Now it can do whatever it wants to do. Oh my God!
Jesus.
Yo, I knew it, bro. I I'm out.
Dang. That's a hell of a rejection right there, though. Jesus.
I knew it, bro. I knew it was about to sit. I was like, I'm not shorting this shit. This thing's about to go. Woo! That was the fastest $800 I ever made. As soon as I saw it pump, I was like, "Oh, I couldn't even screenshot it." I was like, "Nope." I knew it. I was like, "This thing's about to go, bro. This is an inverse head and shoulders." I was just reading this. Oh, it's gonna keep going, but I didn't need much. But so I kept seeing this inverse head and shoulders, and we could not break below. Oh, I got out right on time. But
yeah, you did.
I knew we were gonna freaking pump out of here. I was like, man, we're gonna get a rip and open, and somebody got in here late and getting cooked right now.
Yeah, somebody got in at the top. And was like, yeah, we got in at the top.
They was like, we're going to the moon. Put your shirt back on. Damn, how many points was that? I don't even know. I got in at 7-9 though. I knew we were gonna get a boner candle at open. I knew it.
Well, you were in 5 micros or were you in a whole mini?
I was in a mini.
Oh, okay.
But my risk was only 5 points. Like I went in and changed my my ATM to I changed it to just a stop loss. So anytime I hit the button now, it's just 5 points. I'm only risking 5 points per trade. And here comes the reversal. I got out just in time. I was like,
you nailed 40 points. That's what's up.
Yeah, I killed that thing.
Yeah, this is. Oh man, that's what a fake out.
What a freak. We about to come right back up though. If we can't break this level down here, this will be the 4th time we tap this. If we can't break, never mind.
Yeah, Nvidia's selling off right now.
Good. Dang, talk about scalping the heck out of you. You could have shorted it the same way and made the same money.
Yep. ES is coming down to that level of 53.50 that I was talking about earlier. I'm waiting for NQ to come down to this 30-minute demand that I got.
Yeah, we just tapped my 5-minute, or what is this? I had a 1-minute demand zone right here. Yeah, we just tapped it. Look at that junk right on cue at 864, 863. I'm not gonna trade it though. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Let the dust settle a little bit.
Waiting. We need this battle's about to happen.
40-point banger at open. Let's go. What's up, Timsky? My daughter is in a paper trading competition in her grade 9 business class. She bought Nvidia at 680. She should be looking good today. Yeah, my son, I've been having my son do that stock game. There's a game that goes through the seasons of the stock market. I forget the name of it. We should definitely get it for your kid too, Jay. I forget the name of it, but I think it's just stock market. Yeah, you can like invest throughout the seasons and throughout the different quarters, and they'll come out with news and stuff like that. So you have to adjust your investment style to the quarterly news or whatever. So,
yeah, my kid's been researching inflation and stuff for his economics class.
Yeah, I didn't even have a target, bro. I should have had a target, because if I had a target, I could have caught the whole. I think I did caught the whole thing.
You caught most of it. You definitely caught most of it.
I caught the majority of it. Yeah, I definitely caught the majority of it.
Looks like 850. There's an unusual amount of liquidity sitting there for NQ, and it's been sitting here since about open. So, be interesting to see what we do at 850. I don't really have anything key down there as far as levels go. So, just watch it and see what happens.
I almost top ticked this thing. I got in at 79 and got out at 914. And it went to 919. Sheesh.
Nvidia's getting a nice bounce off of its previous all-time high and holding. So NQ might come back up now that Nvidia's kind of restabilizing itself. There might have been some early profit taken by people in Nvidia, but I mean, like Hobbs said, a lot of people probably have FOMO and they're probably going to buy Nvidia. As much as I want Nvidia to sell off, it's probably not going to happen. It's just a matter of how high do they push this thing up today.
We just broke above that trend line. That was that bullish engulfing. And now we're retesting that trend line right now. And we're building value at these lows again. I might take the same daggone entry.
There's a lot of buying going on down
here.
There's
a lot of buying going on at these lows. I don't think they want to break beneath that trend again, because if they stay above this trend, we're gonna go test 947. But on the tape, we're still looking like we want to fight this.
Yeah, there's a lot of buying going on. A lot.
I just want to see us break above some structure here. I'm looking to get long again. I don't think they're done.
Yeah, Nvidia's getting that rocket ship candle. There's a little bit of a denial there, though.
You know what? Let me relax. I just took one trade. Let me.
Yeah, right now, it looks like we're building some support at 65. If we can break this support here at 65-ish, if we break it with an aggressive sweep and reclaim it, shoot back up, come back down and hold it, I'll take a long off that. Basically, a low of day, a failure to go lower off our current low of day. I'd be interested in taking a long off that. Other than that, I pretty much don't have anything.
Yeah, I just need to see us break some type of structure first, just to show me that they want to move higher, because these wicks are not pretty to the downside. But we're still holding that low so nicely.
Yeah, I'm like, instead of it's funny because you want to wait for the break of structure. I want to wait for the break of structure too, just to the downside. Break the structure to the downside, trap some sellers, and then.
Oh no, I'm 100%. Oh, I thought you were looking for longs. You're looking for a break of structure to sweep. Okay, yeah. Yeah, if we can catch a sweep, like we agree. Because if we could consolidate here, I always forget about that sweep. Sometimes I wait for the break of structure, but I always forget about that sweep. Yeah, you're like, nah, add the sweep, bro. Add the sweep.
Yeah, I feel like some of my best trades come from the sweep, because that's like, it's, in my opinion, it's more powerful than the break of structure, just because that's the trap. Like the trap.
The sweep. Yeah, so 100% agree. But sometimes we never get the sweep. We consolidate and then we break structure.
And in that case, then if we break structure, then it's all good as well.
Because we triple bottom down here. Triple bottom down here in the 5 second. So
yeah.
But I still would prefer a sweep. Don't get it twisted.
Oh, 1,000%. Because them sweeps are powerful. And we break and then we reclaim. You can either get in on the reclaim, or you can wait for the pullback back into the low, because normally we'll try one more time.
Bro, look at Google. Somebody didn't like Google today.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Google. Apple's selling down too, but Microsoft's holding strong.
And so is Nvidia. Nvidia's looking like it's about to push into the 60s. Come on, man. Just give us a decent pullback. That'd be nice.
Yeah, ES pulled right back. Look at ES pulled right back into my demand zone that I called out and bouncing nicely. All right, looks like we're trying to break above 886, 888 for a break of structure here. A lot of buying going on. A lot of buying.
Give me my 10. Come on, 10. Stupid.
I got Rug said, nice, been gone for a while. Back to see you guys. Have taken this to another level. Yeah, man, we trying. We out here putting in work every single day. All right, this market is taking off.
No. Nvidia was like, what sell off? y'all can sell other stuff to come buy this, but we ain't selling off nothing. We ain't going nowhere. I just want to see the highs break. Let us get going. Yeah, I'm cool with missing the first. Yeah. We got news at 9:45. Yeah. The Bulls are back in town, though. They're definitely coming.
I suck. I literally wrote down news at 9:45, and I still forgot. No, I wasn't about to go long here, but yeah, no, that is true. I forgot. Hobbs, I told you my memory's bad. It don't even matter. I have it. I have a note. Nah, I don't want to short this neither.
Short it.
Not unless NVIDIA starts dumping.
As long as the video is reaching all-time highs again, I'm not touching this. We're coming up to the top of this range on the 5 second. Yeah, we get above. I think if we get above 905, it's go time. I'd love to see us sell down one more time, but I'm just not seeing it. As long as NVIDIA is pushing into 763, it's not going to happen. We're just going to continue to push.
Good lord, good lord. Gold. There could be a potential long on gold setting up as well.
I don't care about gold.
I'm just giving it to the people so they know.
Ain't nobody trading gold. They trading NQ, baby. NQ.
Yeah, people might be trading gold. You don't know.
NQ. All right, we got the high up at the high is up at 905. The low is down here at 864. So what I would love to see is this fail up here and come all the way back down to 864 and pick us up. I'll ride it right back up to that high. Pause. All right, comes the push back down. Let's see if we hold this high. Bang! Relax, 5 second chart. Relax. Tap that 905, came right down, which is exactly what we wanted. So if you took the short, good on you. Oh shoot, I didn't draw my little fib. You got to be fast drawing these fibs on the 5 second, bro. Good lord. Oh my god, watch this moment. I knew it. It came right to my level.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nuts. I mean, absolutely nuts, bro. Oh no, I missed my entry. They didn't feel me. I wanted 892. I've been longing that all day. Yeah, it did. It did. This big. No. I'm gonna trade of it. But this big green candle, this big green monster didn't come back and feel me.
This big green monster.
It pushed up. And then just kept going. I'm like, yo, what are you doing? Nah, man, I'm focusing on what I got for now. Yeah, nah, I want to focus on getting paid. Damn that. Come on. No, don't leave. Don't leave me, girl. Okay, I got filled. I cheated and got filled, but oh, I'm out. I'm out. All right, I'll wait. I'll be patient and wait. I got filled and it was like, shut up. You wanted to get filled so bad? Take this. I still think we want out of here. My stop was too tight. My stop was too tight. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Oh no! I just had to take my. Don't take off. Don't do it. Don't take off. Give me another shot.
Don't talk to it like that. Don't talk to it like that. Y'all two both shut up.
He must be long. He must be long.
Shut up. Don't say nothing.
He doesn't want us to have a piece
Absolutely.
of it.
Actually, I'm about to go to break even because this news. Wow, nah,
this news.
I can see the.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll wait. Yeah, Justin, kill it for us, bro. Get him, Justin. Get him.
This news is gonna sweep me. Watch. This news is gonna sweep me. I'm not even at break even.
He said, "Huh? What is this? Not at break even stuff you speak of, huh?"
Come on, news, rip us. Yes, go, baby, go.
Send it. Ow!
All right, now I'm at break even. Now I can't. I can't lose now. I just don't want to just sweep it.
Oh, let's go, Justin.
Let's go.
Keep going, Justin. Let's go. I knew it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yo, I'm so mad I got stopped out for 3 points. Bro, come on. Play me. I'm about to market order. I'm about to market order in for life. Let's get it. Let's get it, shop family. Let's get it.
I'm watching it. My fingers.
We don't care about out of this. We don't care about the news, Bray. Get your money and get out, bro.
Go, you son of a gun.
We back, baby. We back. You gotta be up like 50, 60 points right now, Jay. This is the one that I wanted because I was like, man, this is so beautiful. I played myself with that small stop loss, bro. I should have just let it go. Yeah, I had the entry at 7.9 and it stabbed me out so fast. I was long at not 7.9. I was long down here at 9.2. And then it stabbed me out with one little aggressive 5-second candle. I was like, you mother lover. Come on back down, baby. Come back down to 909. Get out. Take your money. Don't be greedy, bro.
No, I'm not. Oh, trust me, I'm not greedy. I'm moving my stop up with the swings.
Yeah, 947 is a supply, 4-hour supply. So.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my profits right there. Okay, I'm out.
There you go. Thank you. You scared us for a second. We like,
no.
We're like, bro, you gotta be up at least 50 points right now. Take your break.
I took it. I made 300.
Very good.
I was in 5 micros.
Nice. Oh, you got in at 900 then, like 907 or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I was down there at 92, bro. I was trying to get in there. I knew it was about to rip. I was like, this thing about to rip. Let me just get this good entry right here. But it was playing around. That's it. It just goes there faster. That's all.
The one time the news doesn't mess with me. every other time the news kills me.
Nah, bro, you playing structure, bro. That was when we weren't playing structure. Now we playing structure. We understand structure. The news don't mean nothing. Yeah, we popping above it. I see it.
Oh yeah, I was about to say Micaiah. Longs?
This thing's about to go.
Longs?
This thing's about to go.
Yeah, I should have sold out like half my position up there and held the runner, but it's all good. I'm not. Bum, bum, bum. Oh my God, this thing is going.
It ain't took off yet. She wants to go though. She wants to go. I'm gonna wait till she pull back a little bit. If she do, I don't think she's about to pull back. She about to step in and go. Oh. What supply zone? This market don't care about nothing, bro. This market has zero chill, bro. This is freaking bananas.
Yep, Nvidia's still going. Apple recovering. Microsoft going ham. That was it. That was ISM, I think.
That's all the news on the day?
Mm-hmm. Yep, that was it.
See y'all later. See y'all at 18,000.
Oh, 18,100. I just want to throw out that I called ES bouncing at this 1 hour demand zone right here. We pulled back, bounced, broke all-time highs, and we're continuing up. So and then we also ate over here on NQ. Hobbs took that early trade, killed it. I took the news trade, killed it. Valdez, you don't count because you've been trading since like last night and long in the market. So I mean, at this point, you're just being extra.
It's just a mute point for you. Basically, that's all you had to do. You could have just. That's why I was trying to get long down here because I was like, we probably ain't gonna see this level all day. Like where we're getting long at is probably the low of day. Like the market don't care nothing about this supply zone. Thing about to use all of these supply zones as liquidity.
Oh Lord. Well, now with ES above all-time highs, NQ going to all-time highs. Yeah,
NQ's all-time high is like at 18,000. Just get long and stay long, man. 2 more releases in 10 minutes, it don't matter, bro. Looking at structure, bro, it don't matter. Like Nvidia is out of here. Nvidia's at 775. I got back in, guys. Sorry. I got back in with half size though. I got back in with 5 micros. I'm just gonna let this ride all day. Like I'm just gonna. Back to all-time highs. Look at it, bro. Look at ES. ES is above all-time high and floating, and NQ hasn't even got to all-time highs yet. So I'm just gonna get in and stay in all day. Like I think we're just gonna go. I'm up $200 on 5 micros, and I don't think it's close to being the end. I think the market just wants to go. I don't think it cares anything about supply, demand. It don't care.
Yeah, it looks like 18,000's got 163 orders, so they'll probably fill those and then just continue going up.
Yeah, we'll come back to this 943 level here. I'm gonna load back up some more contracts.
Oh, you're in Apex?
No, I'm in Take Profit.
Oh.
You know, I don't start my day off with the funders, bro. It's against my rules.
Yeah, I went to the account that I was down in, and now I'm no longer down on this account. So it's like, oh, all my accounts are in the green again. Great.
Yeah, I always start my day off with the with something that's either in a combine or Top Step X or something.
Oh no, I take it back. This account is not in the green. This account is it's almost in the green. I think I'm about to play minis on this account.
The one you're currently in? The one you were just up in?
No, I'm closing that one down for right now. I'm getting in a different account. And
I got stopped out there for break even.
All right, we just tapped the supply right there. Got a little bit of a sell off, but still no reason to short this just yet. I think I can take a long potentially into 18,000. So that's what I'm gonna try. No.
I think doing anything but long in this market right now is just you're asking for trouble.
We got a bid beneath us at 930, 120 some orders. So we're really liking this area for potential longs. Just want to see it come back down.
Yeah, these bears are here though. We tapped that 94750 level, and we're coming down. Market did not like that supply zone. It's the only one we got left. I guess they did care about that supply zone. They said, "Oh, we don't care about supply." I bet. That's the only one that was in my pre-market plan. I didn't think it was going to matter though. Let's see.
I think I have. I feel like I have one more, but I'm not entirely sure. Oops. What did I just do?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, there is existing home sales. You're right. At 10 o'clock, it's orange folder news, and then there's a speaker at 10 as well. But
if we get beneath the 869, we about to reverse this structure, guys. Reverse this order flow. I'll be looking for shorts on the break-in retest of 947. It's the only area that I would entertain shorts. And the fact that we're selling off aggressively right there makes me feel real good about that zone. Yeah, I'm about to flip pieces on y'all. If we can break some significant structure, I'm definitely about to flip. The first structure was 921, but I want to see us trade away from that a little more. These are full body candles right here. This is true selling.
Yeah.
Just FYI, this is my only bearish thesis right here. And it's working out so far. So I'm gonna see if we can't come back up here, and then I'm gonna look to short this. Yeah, that was a bearish flip right there. I would really love to see 6-4 taken out, because that's where we've been bouncing all day long. So even if this comes back up, I don't think I'm gonna entertain the short until we can flip the low at 64. Other than that, this is just another pullback to go long.
Yeah, we're gonna bounce off that structure where the strong buying kind of started.
Yeah, there's your pullback.
Valdez.
Valdez. Jesus, I was almost called you like Malik, Jonah. Yeah, the more for sure entry. So we could pull back right here. Yeah, this is basically a pullback of that big old candle we just got. So we should be able to push up out of here and go right back up to the top.
Yeah, that was a really nice kind of doji candle on the 1 minute.
Yeah. See what we push up out of here.
Yeah, I would like to see one more push down back into the structure, but we might not get it. Okay, we're gonna get it.
So I said I think that selling was true selling. We'll see if they flip the book here.
Yeah, I mean Nvidia's coming down. Nvidia got a pretty nice sell candle, so. Like, yeah, damn, look at ES, bro. ES is recovering strong. Jesus. Let's come down to the book map and see what we got here.
Yeah, ES didn't care about that candle. They said, yeah, whatever.
At all.
Yeah, whatever.
ES is like, about last night. It was real.
Yeah, it was real. Yeah, we weren't joking. I like this area for a lower high right here.
Yeah, I know. I'm looking at it. I'm gonna try it long here.
Yeah, I took it long too. 912.
I was a little late though. I'm not gonna lie.
Where'd you get in at?
914.
Oh, I mean, I just got 912. That was yeah. I'm just liking the way ES is looking here. All right, 2 more releases. Oh, we already read that. Bulls are trying to flip this book down here, man. We just got to get above this structure, and we should be good to go. It's a nice little lower high that we just put in. 903 would have been a much better entry, or 905 would 905 would have been the entry, but I'm cool with 912. We can just push up out of here.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Oh, come on. Just go. NQ.
I legit almost went to break even right there.
I was just about to do it too. Don't do it like that, girl. That was a freaking rejection.
Oh my god. Damn it. I tried to get out before my thing hit and it did not.
You gonna save yourself 1 point?
No, I would have saved myself about $70 actually. It's all good though. I might try to get back in. Yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time here. Much less risk this time. Much better entry. There it goes. That's what I need.
Chumps. Y'all gonna leave me on an island over there. Everybody bailed.
That's what
everybody out. Taking 5 off right there.
Oh no.
That was the gangster stuff right there.
Don't you come back.
All right, now I'm at break even. I made my money on the move. I added when it came down, I added 5 more, and I took 5 more off at the high, and now I'm at break even for 908 is my average now. That was gangster. All right, now let's push on about it.
I'm going to break even as well.
Oh, I'm at break even now. I already made my money on the move. Now I just want to see if we can push out further. I don't want to see another one of those rejection candles, or I'm gonna leave this area alone. That was a deadly rejection the first time. I ain't sitting through another one of those. I'm definitely not adding.
Dang, come on.
It's that New York chop, man. Just push on up out of here. Quit playing. Do what you did all last night. About last night.
Oh, that's the news. That was the other news.
Let's go. About last night. Uh-oh. Oh, no, no.
All right, I'm out here.
Oh my God.
I just got out.
Let's
I
go.
got out for a little bit of profit.
What's up?
We
Come
coming.
Come on.
That was a hellified rejection.
Come on. Hey, they stole some of my contracts. They took 2 of my contracts. How dare you?
Even.
How dare
oh
you?
my God.
I'm still in with 3 micros. He said,
yeah, because I took some profit because I was in 1 mini, but yeah, I was Jesus.
Well, I was in 5 micros, but they stole 2 of my micros on the pullback.
Oh, that's about to push out. That's all good though.
They tapped it so fast that they couldn't get me filled for my whole position. So they only took two out of the 5. I don't know what the market wants to do up here.
I don't know.
I really like us to just go without stopping me out. That'd be nice. Ugh.
Market over here playing straight up.
Bro, what are you doing right now? What is this? This is not what London looked like. This is not what Tokyo looked like. Why do we gotta play these games in New York, man? Why?
Oh, now it wants to go. Now you want to
play these games in New York, man? Just go, bro. Stop playing.
Let's check on chat. Oh no. Well,
hey, I'm still here. They just stole 2 of my contracts. I mean, I'm up like 30 points right now on 3 micros, but I would have took 2 off up here anyway. But they had to go and steal 2 of my contracts. I just went to break even. I was like, I'm just gonna sit up here because I feel like we're gonna push out of here anyway. Just quit playing, man. Just why you gotta steal so much liquidity first? Like, what are you doing? Why?
Come back down to 905.
Bro, shut up, Justin. Just shut up. I'm locking in the 12 points right there.
Nah, it looks good.
Yeah, you shut up.
Nvidia's coming up, Apple's coming up, Alphabet's coming up, Microsoft is coming up. Everything's looking on the up and up. ES is going crazy. We rejected the all-time high and came right back up. So yeah, it's probably good.
Every time Justin says it's probably good, it's probably not good.
I mean, I want this thing to come back down to 905 personally, so I can get back in long.
Probably not good. We're probably. Yeah, can you just get back over there to ES, bro? Leave us alone.
ES is moving quite nicely today. It's about to break all-time highs again. Maybe not.
Come on with these candles. What are you doing? What are you doing, NQ?
Oh, they just moved out the way.
Yeah, I'm stopped out. I'm stopped out for 12 points because NQ want to be a little baby. Come on, Bears.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Now the Bears. Now y'all got smoke, right? Now the Bears is tough. Now y'all tough. Y'all wasn't tough for 24 hours. Jeez.
They got to take profits, man.
Nice rejection at the 40s, though. I like that. But you can't short it though, because it's just too choppy. I'd rather just wait till it comes down and then look to long it back up.
Yeah, looks like we're
oh. Just when I say you can't short it, here she goes.
There was a sweep. There was a sweep. Let's see if we pull back up above 9. What is this? 910?
I feel like the market just wants to trap as many bears as it can before it goes to its ultimate destination, because I'm not buying none of this sell-off crap. If we're not below 865, we're going back up. Period, point blank. I ain't buying it.
All right. What up, Jonah?
Joe? Yeah, for me, until we get below 865, like, I don't think this market is coming down anytime soon. But
what a head fake market. Why?
Making money. I mean, if you got short at 947, he made some money.
That's true. That's true. That's true.
He could. Yup. I got long. I passed the torch to you. I gave you some liquidity for your short because I got long at 9.2. Wait, no, I got long 7.9 and wrote it up to 9.4, something like that. Wherever the heck it went. I don't know. We took 2 bangers this morning.
We might be coming down here.
Man, not me. Just following the structure. Structure is telling me keep long in this market, so I'm just gonna keep long in the market. This market does not want to sell off, bro. Like until we get below 64, we're not gonna sell off.
You got long, Valdez? Valdez quiet over there. I feel like he got long.
He's still in. He ain't never got out. Yeah, I think
he's
been
in
never
since
leave? Like, yeah, his entry was like 902 or something like that.
Oh.
Yeah, I got back in at 910. Put my stops to 20. Yeah, I think we facts.
True.
Yep. Just go up, baby. Just go up.
Yeah, I missed this one. I was trying to be conservative and wait for it to pull back a little bit deeper.
It came down to your 905. I thought you was waiting on 905.
Yeah, I was. We swept, and I was waiting for the break above.
Now we eat. Let us eat. Break bread and eat. We just got to get above the high. I'm long at 910 and waiting to see if we can get above 70 because I think we want 18,000 today. I've just been trying to get a good entry and let this thing go.
I had that.
I just keep getting stopped out for freaking break even. But I've already took the big trade on the day, so now I'm just trying to take the longer move on the day.
I got Rug said waiting to see if SPY hits 508, then buying puts.
Yeah. He said then buy. I don't know, man. SPY is good. ES is holding its 15-minute candle really nicely right now. Really nice.
Yeah. Makai said, yeah, I'm not playing today, fellas. Gonna shut down the account before I get smacked. Yeah, I feel you, bro. I feel you. I definitely feel you.
We just need to push out of this high. Just get through that supply zone. We'll be fine.
Yeah, we about to go right here. That was a nice pullback.
Bro, just go, bro. Like, just get the fuel so we can get out of here. Like, just give me the 18. Give me the 18,000 and I'll be happy, bro. Give me the 18,000. I'll be a happy man. Oh,
come back down.
Yeah, with this. You know what? Let me secure some contracts here because I'm about done with NQ playing these games with me today. You ain't finna do me like you did me yesterday. Greed got me yesterday. All right, I'm out of 90% right there. I got the last one set to break even just for the points. All right, now y'all can get in. All right, Justin, let's go.
Hey, look.
I'm still in. Yeah.
There is a high probability that this thing continues. But if I see something trapped on this tape, bruh, I'll short it.
I don't care. I took 90% because yesterday I got slapped across the head. I don't care what y'all say about me. I'm in one micro. If this thing wants to give me my $70 or take my $70, so be it. But if it wants to go, now I can start adding my position back to this position that I'm currently up in. I can use this as leverage once we get above the high. So when we have those aggressive pullbacks, instead of selling my position, I can add to my position right there. So that's the way I'm going to use this. I'm going to take my bread now and then look to re-add because I'm still in the same entry. Right? What?
Yeah, Emmett said, just so y'all know, I'm milking this market.
yeah, he milking the hell out of this market. Yeah, here come the Bears back again. That's why nope, I wasn't playing
thank
this
God
game.
I ain't trying to long that right there.
Oh, that's right. Jonah playing the shorts, which I don't think is a bad game right now, but it's a dangerous game, but it's dangerous. It just shorts just don't make me feel comfortable, bro. Like they just don't. Like every time I tried to short this market last night on paper trades, I was like, bro, every time I tried to short it, I was like, bro, what is wrong with me? Why do I keep shorting this market? Why can't I just long it? And then I remember Jonah's statement of, yeah, it's super major supply up here. It's the 4-hour supply, but ES is pushing. ES is not pushing, but it's above its all-time high, which just leads me to believe that NQ wants its all-time high. So if we can somehow push through this supply zone, then we'll go. We're gonna go to all-time highs today, which is what I'm banking on. Yeah, I'm banking on the idea that we go to like 18,100 today. We're just gonna chop around right here first and try to stop everybody out. Yeah, so I don't mind sitting in with 2 micros. It don't bother me at all. With my full position, nah. That's another lower high though. To Jonah's point.
Yeah, I'm in short. I'm trying to short there. It's risky, but
I ain't touching shorts. Y'all can have them joints.
Well, I think the short, if the shorts play out today, I'm gonna try the one short. But if the shorts end up playing out, then the move is gonna be a nasty move to the downside.
The only way I'm shorting this market is when we get back below 65. If we get below 65, then I'll join you guys on the retest of 65. But as long as that consolidation is holding, I ain't touching shorts.
Well, I just short it down to the consolidation, but bulls are really trying here, so we'll see.
Why can't the New York session be like Tokyo or London, bro? Like I feel like the New York session is, I'm just about to start sleeping during the day and doing regular shit during the day, and then just play the London session, because this New York session be straight trash, bro. Like the New York session is like, this junk is super trash, bro. Like in comparison to the price action, yeah, you're right, Joe. It's been like this since November. Like in comparison to the price action that we got last night, like this is horrendous.
Yeah, I got out of that trade. I didn't like the way we was holding this low right here. I think we could potentially pop back up, but I could be wrong.
We keep putting in lower highs, but I don't like it because the bulls are still in control of the structure.
Oh, they definitely are. We broke structure and then came back up. Yep, and I got out at the right time.
I should have added right there.
What a play to get out.
I'm not gonna add until we get above the 970 level. But if we can get above 970, I'll add. Oh yeah, we're coming. We're coming for 970. Again, I'm still long at 910, guys. I took 90% of my position off at the high. I'm still long 1 micro at 910, but I'm gonna add full position. I'm gonna add once I get enough profit, because where I think we're going, we don't need rows. But where I think we're going is like 18,100. Like I think we're going for the all-time high. So if we get above 970, I'm expecting a squeeze, and then I'm looking to add a full mini with the profits from this 1 micro. That's my plan. But we got to get above 970, or I just lose $70. But I don't lose anything. I just don't collect the 70 that I was up. That was another nice rejection. Double top up there. So let's see if Bears can take control up here. Yeah, there's a triple top up there. They looking like they want to take it over, but they gotta prove something. They are selling.
Oh, they're definitely buying everything up.
These bulls is like, hold my beer. Yeah, we have. Yeah, bro. They like, you think we got a money? You think this funny money? you think these is jokes? Look at Meta. Meta then took the F off. Come on, man. This market has no chill, bro. All it's gonna take is for Apple to get selly, though. If Apple or Meta or Nvidia. Either one of the big ones starts selling off, it'll come down. But I'm just hoping we don't go below 910. Well, not hoping. That's what I need in order for me to get busy back to the upside. All right, this is a nice recovery candle. Now we just got to take out the high.
Yeah, we continue to hold.
This chop is real right here, though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I feel sorry for you bears up here. This gotta be painful. Like if I was short, I would be in pain right now. Just agony. They chopping the shorts up right now. Bulls too. Look, they chopping the bulls up here too. All them people that got in late. Yeah, they getting cut up here.
Yeah, that's another potential long. I'm not gonna take it though, but I don't know what to do here, so I'm just gonna wait.
Me too.
I don't know what to do.
I got my plan. I just need to see us get above 70. If we can get back above 70, then we good. Then I'll start adding, but I'm not gonna add down here because I'm not sure if we're gonna come out of this alive yet. Rug pull coming? Possibly. It's possible. I'll just tell y'all this. The VIX is still selling off right now. So I just tell y'all that. Like the VIX is not looking like it was to pump. Like the VIX is selling off right now. So and it's breaking through its low. And ES is taking off again with a rally-based rally candle. And Meta has left the building too. So I don't know if it's gonna go to the short side. I just don't know where it's gonna come from just yet, or at least I don't see it yet.
Yeah, this area right here, we're consolidating this area. So
we're gonna come out. We're either spin a short squeeze or we're about to dump.
Yeah, either we're gonna come out of this area real bullish or we're gonna dump
18,000. You with me now, Joe? You with me now, Joe? He said 18,000. That's where we're going. You with me now? Oh, you're looking to short 18,000? Nah, if we go to 18,000, we're going to all-time highs. Especially if we go in the AM. If we go in the AM session, we're definitely going to go shoot for all-time highs. Because all-time high is 18,121. So that's a day in the park for NQ.
Here's another rejection up here at this high.
Yeah, another lot. This is the third tap of these highs right here. That one was important because it was the lower of the three, which means that we're not willing to buy above 51. That is very significant right there. If you're looking to short, that is very, very significant. And now Meta's pulling back.
Continuation.
Yeah, Meta's pulling back here. So this is a good area, in my opinion, to look to short this market. Because that third tap was very, very significant. Me personally, I would need to see a break of structure first, but that was very significant. That third tap was important.
Yeah, I wanna see us get below 924. If we get below 924 and come back up for the retest, then I would look to short because that's the low that made the high. So
they're trying to break this thing. VIX still isn't pumping. Still at the 60s though. I can't get with the shorts until I start to see some type of aggressive selling because these bulls, they just have no chill. Yeah, it's like they're not even taking profit. It's like they're accepting this price and they're willing to buy more. That's what this looks like to me.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
Yeah, they're rounding price up again. Yeah, they're rounding price at the lows again. Come on.
Yeah, we're just in that range. We're just in a range right now.
Yeah, we're in a nice little tight range. It should have. That's why I was like, man, I thought that was it. I thought that was it for us right there. I was like, dang, that triple top was nasty. Yeah. I think a massive sell-off is coming. I think you could potentially be right. That triple top was very, very, very bad for the market. If you're
so they're trying to put in a lower high right here. They just tapped the 50% of my box, but they didn't.
Yeah. He said, they warming up over here. They like, take another lap. Let's take another lap around.
I don't know though. There's so much selling at the lows that aren't being rewarded. Like, I don't know.
I'm still in, man. I'm still in. They can do whatever it wants to do. Oh, you will. If this thing sells off, you'll get another beautiful entry. I'm not short this market. There's no way I'm short this. You just look. If I had more conviction, I would be adding the hell out of this chart right now. But I'm not, because I don't have full conviction yet. I'm just gonna sit in my one little micro that's left over from this previous position, and then if we trade above, I'm gonna stick with my. Yeah. Yeah, they're looking like they're setting up to go short, but the VIX isn't agreeing with it. The VIX is still selling off. The VIX is down to 55 now, which means somebody's still buying.
We're still holding these lows though. That's the problem. We're still holding the lows, and I
just think they're trapping people with these lows.
Yeah,
a lot of sellers at these lows.
I don't want to trade in this chop because I don't know which way we're gonna come out. And after we make like 3 or 4 highs and lows, I get concerned that the next one's gonna be the break. You know what I mean? To one way or the other. It's like, oh, this is risky.
Yeah, facts. It's super risky. This is where the Dave Teaches FX special comes in handy right here. If you trade this with the Dave Teaches FX special, you could probably be milking this market, as Emmett would say, milking this market for 5, 10, 5, 10, back and forth.
Yeah. I can't. So I can't do it. But I am seeing a lack of selling on the tape down. Oh, actually, matter of fact, I might try a long. I'm trying a long here. I saw what I need to see on the tape to get long.
Shoo. I'm seeing what I need to see too. I just need to see them get over 70. Just trade above the high. That's all I need. It's just to trade above the high. We can trade above the high. I'll be a happy man, and then I'll start looking to add to my position.
Yeah, I'm risking 5 points here. I saw what I.
It ain't over yet. Every time we come up,
I'm gonna give it the low. Never mind. I'm gonna give it the low. I'm gonna give it the 200.
Every time we come up to the high, we can't. We put it. He said, right now it's range. It's range rules. So here's a sweep. Let's see if they absorb it.
They swept. Nah, this.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, they knew I was there because I saw what I wanted to see on the tape.
Nope.
No, this looks like another sweep potentially.
Nah, you gotta.
Yeah, they swept my ass.
I told you the only way I'm hitting this red button is if we get below 65. If the market sells below 65, I'll be interested in shorts. Other than that, longs.
Yeah, if we get
all of these are just pullbacks, bro. Long. Which way you going, Oz? Long. Bro, we ain't done nothing. That's why I said the low is freaking 62, 63. If we trade beneath there, I'm interested on the pullbacks of that. Other than that, long. I don't care what the market do up here. Long. Yeah, if we trade below 62, then I'll be interested in shorts. Provides the army. Let's go, Southside Player Crypto. Appreciate you, brother. He says, join the party. Trader Shop provides the army. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Rug pool incoming. Justin, you should run a poll, man. We about to dump or we about to pump? What's it gonna be?
I don't know, but I just got back in long again.
I want to see who all betting against me.
we need to break over 30 though. You break over 30.
I want to know, right? Matter of fact, let me text Top Step X. Let me see what the tilt is. Oh, Top Step X Top Step X is 50 short right now, but on ES is 55% short.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me.
Another lack of buying here at these highs, man. Another lack of buying at these highs.
It got me again. Yeah, it is. It's definitely chopping me up right now. I'm gonna wait and make sure we can break above 30. This is gonna be the time where we actually break above 30.
Yo, it feels so good not to be in this chop and to be in at 910 just like with one micro, because I'm like, I don't really care what happens. I would like to see me be a winner, but I'm thinking by the low of day around 2 p.m. Yeah, that'd be good if we sell off like this all day, kind of like what we did yesterday. Southside player said we pump. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I think we pump, but I don't know if I'll be able to withstand it because I'm not going to let this go red. But
yeah,
at 18, otherwise I ain't playing. If I take anything, it'll be
right here. I don't know.
Yeah.
Are we going to break this? Yeah, there's just absorption like down here. I'm gonna wait. I don't think this is a fake out. I think that I can see. No, I'm not in. I can see the absorption going on down here though. But I'm gonna wait for this to break above. I should have had my stop at the low. Honestly, I'd have been fine. But once we break above 33, I'll wait for the retest because that was. Oh well, this is also a retest of the highest trend line as well.
We just need to trade above 70, and your boy looking to add. I'm gonna add a lot because at that point I'll be up.
Yeah, I knew it.
I'll be up, so I'll be up on one micro, so I can just use the profits from that one micro to add to my position. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
I mistimed it, man.
Hey, this gotta be it. This is it. Look at the tape. What? Hey, hold on. Let me watch the tilt. Let me watch the tilt change on Top Step X. Hang on. Up 54% long. There we go.
I mistimed it. Oh, I'm so mad. I mistimed it. I seen it.
There we go. My heart. Yeah, I know, bro. I was like that all last night, bro. I had to get that out of my blood, bro. I was like, nope. I gotta get this out. I told my wife, I was like, I'm so bearish. I was like, what's wrong with me? Why can't I just win at the top like everybody else do? No, bro. I was shorting the market on paper trades left and right all last night. I was like, yeah, this is it right here. This is the short. The market was like, shut up. Like, we are not going down. Like, what are you talking about? Bro, I'm talking about I was short. Yeah, I was trying to short it. Next thing I know, I look up, the market did rally 60 points and stopped me out every single time along the way. you get short, you be so convicted in your direction, you turn around and look, you be like, did I really just let the market rally 70 points while I was trying to short it? All right, a lot of liquidity up at these highs again. More selling, but these buyers just don't give up, man. I don't know what's going on with this market today, but I'm in it. I'm in it, baby. Let's go. Send it. ES. Look at ES go. Go, ES, go, ES, go. Let's go. Hold on, let me check the tilt. Oh, NQ trying. She trying. Come on. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Come on, girl. You know it. Oh,
we just broke that high.
Look at the tape, baby. Let's go. All right, now we just got to trade above 70. I'm done second guessing myself. I'm done with it, bro. I second guessed myself all day yesterday. I'm like, nope, trusted my levels. If I stop out here, great. If not, go where you're supposed to go. All-time highs today. These buyers just don't quit, bro.
Yeah, that's another break of structure.
VIX still selling down. Again, that whole entire sell-off, there was no participation from the VIX, which told me that sellers. Now we just got to trade above 70. Wait, hold on. Let me put this comment up here.
What comment?
I think there's a massive sell-off coming.
We're back in supply now. I got long at 43, by the way.
I know you long. I'm
getting all my ducats back. I'm getting all my ducats back. But
he got Ginsu chopped up before he got back in.
Yeah, I got back in on that little tiny pullback that we got. But I'm about to just take my 10 and get out here.
The market put that Ginsu knife on you. I only got one micro left, so. Oh, right at 10:30. Yep. Bingo. Let's go, Yvonne. For the win, baby. Where is Yvonne and Pippi at anyway?
I don't know. But I'm taking my 10 right there.
First place.
All right, I'm securing my 10 right there.
W. It's crazy, right? All right, here we go. 9 more points, and then I'll start adding. I'm up $105 on one micro.
Hey,
you can't make money. You can't make money on micros. Let's go. All right, add. I'm gonna try to add once we get above 70 and we pull back into this area here.
Okay, I'm out right there. Out right there for my 200 points or $200.
Looks like we're gonna pull back into 938. Just got to start trading above 70. If we can trade above 70, I think we'll be okay.
Yeah, I'm trading a mini on this account. I'm down like $176 right now, but
I'm looking at this micro like a paper trade. I'm like, yo, I just want to see if I can get my target. That's it. If it starts to get crazy, like I'm up too much money, then yeah, I'll start securing profit. Right now, I just want to see if I can get my target. It's one micro, bro. Like, let this thing do what it do. This is another very bad rejection here, but I'm thinking we come back into, we're still holding structure really well. So maybe we trade back into 945 and then push up. And then once we get above 70 and we pull back and retest 70, if this happens, I'm going to move my stop to 70. If that doesn't happen, I'm just going to stay at 910 because again, it's $100. It's not going to make or break any of my profits on the day. This lower high putting in right here should attract a lot of sellers, people that think we're in supply. So we're just going to short the market. Carmine.
He wouldn't be trying to short this.
I bet you he took a short today.
Nah, he's actually not trading today.
Okay. I bet you he would have took a short. He probably stayed away because he probably thought the same thing we thought. Like, we rallied 100 points in the overnight session. I'm not trading today.
Yeah, he said he said yesterday he doing a podcast today or some shit. So.
Oh, okay.
It's about to go. We're about to go break this week high up here.
All this 70. Is doing is giving me more confidence. Like I'm taking this one micro. This is more of a confidence builder than anything because those pullbacks, even though they were choppy or whatever, I knew I was in the right direction of the market and I knew I had a good entry. The entry was killer. So now we just need to trade above 7-0. We start trading above 7-0. I'll move my stop to after we retest this low right here. I'll move my stop to 7-0. And then I'm looking for us to trade into 18,100 today. I just don't think we see my entry again today if we're going to keep buying like this. It might be just an all-day push.
Bravo Jones says, I'm thinking buy the low of day around 2 p.m.
Yeah, he's saying just wait for the low of day to be put in. Basically where my entry is. Well, no, low of day is at like 860 something.
Yeah. I don't know if we get back down to low of day. We'll see.
Pump. 100 from here.
Makai said, I'd be interested in shorts at 18.018. Otherwise, I ain't playing. If I take anything, it's going to be on a new eval. Let it come to low of day. Yeah, or you could long it. I personally like shorts up here. Timsky said she took her profits first place. Who is she? W Smile. Yeah, I caught a nice little banger, nice little winner. Still down on the day though on this account, but it's all good. I'm tripping.
We're up 55 points on this micro.
Eat. Let's check. Oh man, ES.
That's all I've been looking at. I've been looking at ES and the VIX, and I'm like, we're not coming down anytime soon.
Yeah, we're getting a little rejection on VIX is getting a little whoopy right
trading
here,
above
but
70. We're at 75. Let's go. All right. Now we're just
All
waiting on a pullback into 63, and then I'll start securing some profit. Matter of fact,
that was some really strong buying right there. Really strong buying. You do not want to see this fail.
We're locking in 40 points right there on the 1 micro, which is really good. Yeah. Locking in. All right, we're out at 55. If they come and take us out at 55, we'll take that.
Oh my god.
That was a lot of strong buying that just hit the bid, and we immediately rejected it. So I don't want to give back too much. 45 points is enough. Bang. All right, we're tapped out for 45 points.
Let's go.
Pretty damn good trade on the last little runner right there. Made that thing do just. Yeah, that was after we made the big money, right? Oh, okay, Shay. My wife is at home. I didn't even realize she was watching the show. He was talking about his daughter won and took first place.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations, man. Okay. Congratulations.
Yeah, congrats. I had no clue what he was talking about. I was like, who is she? Who took profits?
Yeah, that was a good area to sell because I see all of that liquidity sitting up there at 18,000. And yeah. No, thank you. Huh? You said, oh, my bad. No, he got out. He got out down there on all that chop. Bro, they was coming, bro. They was coming. Is in a paper. Yeah. But that open trade that literally set the standard for the day today. I said, okay, I'm back. I just needed to get out of my feelings. I was texting Jonah yesterday, man. What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I was so in my feelings yesterday. I was emotionally distraught yesterday. I was like, I don't even want to see the charts. I don't even want to look at the charts. Short the market all night long. I said, let me get this out of my system. I said, because I needed to see it not work. I was like, no way we're gonna keep going. I'm short right here. 4 hour supply, short. 1 hour supply, short. Cook. Market was flipping my ass like
a hamburger,
like fried. Yeah, it was flipping my ass like fucking the SpongeBob patties, bro. Come on, cooking my ass. They was like, oh, you want to keep shorting this? Really? You ain't learned your lesson? I bet.
We still looking bullish up here.
Oh, we're still looking very bullish. I think it's going to be an all-day push. I should have turned on the 9 EMA. Why you didn't tell me? That's what I should have done. Facts. No, I'll turn it on. I'll turn it on TradeAvate. Dang, that pullback that I sold was literally, we never went lower than that. Oh no, we hit 52. We hit 50. Okay. Dang, we just gonna chop all the way up. I'm not trading anymore. Not on this account. I'm done with this account.
It looks like we're about to touch 50.
Look at this choppy way up here, man. This is horrible. Yeah, for me to even entertain shorts, we have to at least change structure, change order flow once, and do it with like some significant volume. Like this little chop fest on the way down just tells me that bulls are still in control, very much so. And the only thing it makes me want to do is get long again. Now I'm switching over to Top Step and I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for longs at 94675. 94675. You ain't gonna give me 946? You're just gonna come down at 949? Don't do that. I like that.
Yeah, too. I'm looking for lower prices as well. I'm looking for oh yeah, same area, Jonah. Oh,
tapped into it. Come on. There's a sweep. Let me go to
They're about to take that 940 liquidity. Took that too.
940 gone. All right, let's see what we do right here. Back into fucking. I swear, bro. I'm just ready to play. I'm just ready to go to sleep and trade the London session. I'm about to be over trading New York, bro. And we already had
all the news is gone.
Lower day. Yeah, I don't want to short this market. I have zero desire to short this market. Even the sell-off looks so it looks so difficult for the market to sell off, right? Like we just rallied almost 700 points on NQ in a day, and the market's struggling to sell off for 10 or 20 points. I don't want to short that. That's not strong enough for me. That just tells me, oh, you can short it. Don't get it twisted. I 100. Yeah. I'm about to say you can 100% short it. I just think that I'm a lot less. I'm not as stressed when I long the market. Shorting the market, I'll be like, clock's ticking. Come on. Yeah, I went through a lot, bro. I went through the gambit. I was like, let me put myself through this gambit because I already know how I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I said, if I don't do this tonight, I'm gonna come into the market thinking, I could just hear Justin. You remember Justin's famous words? Look, I know everybody's bullish, but hear me out. Hear me out. And I used to be.
I still think the bigger move is coming to the downside at some point. But
I used to look at Justin. I'm like, don't you say it, Justin. I know Hobbs. I know, but hear me out, Justin. The market just rallied all night long, bro. Oh, I think this. No. I just think that the market has a lot more room to fall than it does to go up, and I think the bigger move is going to be to the downside. But I don't expect it to look that way until.
Here.
All right, we're breaking this trend line that we have to the upside, guys. If you're looking for shorts, this is probably a good time. If we break this structure, I ain't touching these shorts. Until then, I think we keep pumping. If we sell off, the only thing I'm going to do is look for areas to get long. That's it. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm not short this market. Micaiah, I gave a really in-depth thesis about this bubble compared to the .com bubble, and like y'all would probably laugh at me if I told you where I think NQ's going by the end of this year or next year. But after seeing Nvidia, like it. Yeah. No. Not the bearish case. You got my bearish thesis, right? That was before Nvidia just was like, new information. This is probably a good area to short the market. I'll just say that. Just looking at this. Oh, me too. Matter of fact, I'll paper trade it short. Yeah, I'll throw this trade up here. I'll paper trade this short. We're gonna take 5 minis. Take it short right here. We're super early, right, for potential short. But I'm looking. My thesis is based off this trend line right here. I will not short this in my real account. It will not happen. My paper trade account is up like $500,000 for. I was traded like 50 minis yesterday on that news. But this is basically a trend line play, right? Getting in on the trend. Or getting in before the trend officially breaks, expecting it to break. So we could get cooked for the simple fact that there is a structurally, the bulls are still in control, right? So we got this area right here, right, that we understand is the low, right? Therefore, until we break this low, this hang on, let me unextend this and paint it a different color. All right. So this low right here is the low that needs to break, right? So if we break this low, then I expect us to trade lower, right? Maybe come back to like my man is saying, low a day at 864 or 831. I would love to long the market down here at 831. I don't want to touch these shorts just because I think they're going to be super choppy and just make me feel uncomfortable. It's just against my bias on the day. So I'm not going to touch them. I'm going to stick to that. I'm only going to play the trend, but I do believe that there is quality in the shorts, right? So that's why I took this short right here with the 5 minis. And of course, I experienced no drawdown because that's how it always works. Always. But I played the break and then the retest of this trend line is what I was trying to say. So it's not a structural play per se, but it is. We did switch. I called it out. We did change. I'm sorry. He said, "Shut your ass up." But basically, the thesis behind this was the break and retest of this trend line right here, right? And then we had this lower high come in right here. And then we had the order flow shift here at 952. So once we came back up here and got rejected, we know that we're coming from a higher time frame supply, right? So this trend line just assists me to see the true break, right? The true break came when we broke and then we retested. So now that we're beneath this level, now we should come back in and retest 920 and continue to trade lower down to the next level, right? So my thesis would be to take profits down here at 831, because with all of the buying that came in today, the selling should be catastrophic if it is going to sell. And I think it's absolutely hilarious that, oh, okay, never mind. I read that wrong. 54% of people are long on crude oil. It's 50-50 on the NASDAQ. Oh, well, hey, he got what he needed. I got what I needed. All right. Look, I'm gonna post this back up here because it's only fair. I think a massive sell-off is coming to the downside. Let's go. You nailed it, SB. Let's get it. I did not trade it. This is a paper trade, to be clear. It was a good idea on the thesis of the trade, in my opinion. That's why I put it out there, because I don't show my actual entries or exits or whatever. But this was a good setup, so I was like, all right, well, we'll take this idea. And the reason why I don't want to short it is because I feel like every time I get short, the market comes right back up. So let's see if that happens here. Of course, it won't happen now just because, it's a paper trade. When it's a paper trade, we go right to profit target. So, yeah, 5 minis, bro, up 2,700 with no drawdown. I wasn't even in any drawdown, like none, zero drawdown. Yeah, look, they still buying it up. Look, this is why I don't want to short it. Look, this makes me feel so uncomfortable. Come on, bro. Come on. Like, I was just up like $3,000. The market's like, shut up.
All right, I'm looking for longs. If we pull back into 910, we got a nasty CVD divergence right there too.
Yeah. I think we're still in this downtrend though. That imbalance right there, this is an imbalance candle. So we should trade back into like 50% of this imbalance candle and then continue to push down. So if you just take 50% of this imbalance candle, that was at 17,921. We tapped right into 17,921, and now we're going to try to break beneath 900s. What's up, Pippi? I didn't know Pippi was in here. So yeah, so that was the thesis on the trend line break. Like, again, I don't necessarily trade trend line type of stuff. I shouldn't say I don't trade it, because I just feel like, anyway, I'll just say that I think if something can help you identify structure, then I don't see what's so bad about trading EMAs or trend lines. Like, EMAs get in my way, so I don't use them, right? Like, I like to see price action a little bit clearer, but I do believe that they work, right? Like, oh my god, look at this big print.
Oh, what's up?
Yo, check out Steve Moreau, Beat the Market Makers, Game Changer. I don't know who that is. Is that a YouTuber? Oh, the lemon juicer crap. Oh, what's up, Pippi? What's up, Pippi? What's good, bro? Wow, man, nice short. Yeah, I mean, it's a paper trade, but you understood the thesis, right? And that's really like, and that's why I didn't really like when people would like knock traders for paper trading. Like, ICT paper trades but he can explain what he's talking about. Like, it'd be different if like he was only doing like rewiring stuff, but I've seen him paper trade like the live markets, right? Like, so what's the difference? The only difference is he would not be taking 25 minis because your butt would be puckering up, right? Like I would not be trading 5 minis. I just do it because I know people like to see big size on the screen. Like, for some reason, more people watch the channel when we take paper trades. Like, all right, cool. Y'all want to see paper trades? Go for it. But it'll be after I'm done trading, right? But I will discuss the market, right? So if we're looking to secure profit, we go ahead and lock in 12 points right here because we're securing the profit based off the structure, right? So we would secure profit at the right above 921 because this high is now being validated by this low print, right? So then we just kind of follow structure all the way down, potentially to our profit target, right? But these are things that we do with the Discord all the time. We trade the live markets, we trade crypto on the weekends, and we do this because it builds repetition. I'm done trading on the day. I don't need to trade anything else, right? I've had a good day. Now I'm just trying to get the reps in, right?
I'm looking
difference
at
as well, no emotion attached.
Shoulders here.
Yes, 100% CJ. Yeah, I like this for inverse head and shoulders.
Potential 1 minute. If we can break back above the structure.
Yeah, and then CJ with the cheese says difference is no emotions involved. Exactly. But the muscle, right? The repetition muscle is what you want to build, right? You want to continue to build that repetition muscle, right? I take trades no hesitation because I practice with paper trades, right? The more I practice and I see my stuff work out, remember last night I shorted the market all last night. Hence the reason why I came in here and said I don't want to short this market. Like, y'all don't want to go in there. Do not go in there, right? Like, I already know how this works. Like, I know what the market's trying to do because I saw it do it all through Tokyo, right? Like, I saw it. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw look at this. Every time the market tries to sell off, look at this. Every one of these swings is acting like strong support, right? And let's do what most people do, right? Where they bring their profit, they bring their stop loss up here, and they say, my targets. This is what I used to do. I'm not even gonna lie. My target's 831. I'm willing to take a loss at 950. Stops me out because I believe the market's coming down to 831. You can believe whatever you want to, right? And the market might do what you believe, but why would you leave all of this money on the table, right? Like, it's $2,200. I don't care if you got $1 million account. It's still $2,200, right? Like, take that bread. But we're pulling back into this area right here. And if we draw another fib, again, you'll see me draw fibs a lot because inside of structure, I've just noticed that they work the best for trying to find that 50%. If we take this candle and put a 50%, look, we trade it right back into it and then whoop, right back down. So Justin was looking for the head and shoulders here, but I think he needed to see a break above structure, right? A break above 922. If we don't get that break, we're just going to continue down to the downside. Just think of this. Think of this area right here the same as you would think of this 4-hour supply zone. It's the same thing. Every time we tap into it, right, we're going to mitigate it, right, as they would say. I just say play with it a little bit. We're going to mitigate it, and then we're going to sell right back down, right? But the goal is to validate the high, right? Or validate this high. Right, this is a low right now. We're trying to make it into a high, but we have to trade beneath 894. But you see how long this is taking compared to when this market goes bullish. Like, we don't even have swing points when we go bullish. We just straight up.
I just got long at 901
off the double bottom right there.
Yeah,
I like it. I just
slightly based off the tape as well.
Yeah, for my flavor, I would need this. Yeah, for my taste, I would need to see us trade above 22, just because of how strong that.
I'm at break even.
Just because of how strong that imbalance candle was, but I do see what you see on the tape, though. We're strong buying out here.
Yeah, there was a lot of buying, but that 912 has to break.
Yep. Yeah. So what So we technically have an inverse. I bet we have an inverse head and shoulders on the 15-second. Yeah. So if you go down to the lower time frame, we technically have already double bottom, right? So we got that double bottom, and we're trying to put in an inverse head and shoulders, but we haven't swept yet. And we don't necessarily have to sweep. You just prefer it, right? But we do have a strong double bottom if you look at the 15-second. Let me check the 5-second. See what are we looking like down here. Yeah, see on the 5-second, we've already traded above the high, right, at 916. And then when we came back down on the 5-second, that double bottom that you see on the 1 minute, it looks like it's more pronounced on the 5-second. So if you just draw a little box right here, right, you know that we're holding this low right here. So that's how you get a sniper entry. But if I'm in this, because the overall market is bearish, this high right here, the high at 922 is in control of this chessboard right now, right? So the high at 922 and the low of 895. Right? Actually, it's the high at 924. Sorry. So this is the chessboard right here. This whole piece right here. This is how
I got out too soon. Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took my 20 or I took my 10 points right there. I may have got out a little bit too soon, but we haven't broken that structure just yet. Yeah. And so I was like, let me just take my profits and I'll look to re-enter.
But just remember, guys, this is where the money's made, right? This is where Emmett makes his bread. This is where I'm trying to get better at my trading, right? Because this right here, if we look at the higher time frame, like the 1 minute or so, right?
It's a range.
Exactly. We just broke the low. We just broke the low, right? So we expect, again, anytime we break a high or we break a low, we expect consolidation to ensue, right? We don't know who's going to win that consolidation. However, that's not our job. As traders, we can take this consolidation and we can turn it into money, right? So if we can identify the box, right? We call it the chessboard in the trader shop, right? But if we can identify this area of trading right here, right? This is a chessboard right here. This is our chessboard right there. This is where we're trading, right? Let me change that a different color. No, that works. All right, this is where we're trading, right? So we know we have the low down here at 895 and we have the high at 924. So if you were trading in a range on the 15-minute, the hour, or whatever, the 4 hour, you would say, what? You would say, I'm going to short the lows. I'm going to short the lows. No, I'm going to long the lows and I'm going to short the highs. But I understand that the range is ultimately working to the downside, right? So if we were to look at this range just for what it is, right? We're in a range, but what is the range doing? This is the high. Here's a lower high. Here's a lower high. Here's a lower high. Right now, the range is to the downside, right? So as the range comes up to the high, we're looking for rejection. If we can get rejection, we can take the market short, expecting about 10 points, right? Then we just start adding to positions, right? Ultimately, we can take it short and long, depending on where we are. You don't want to trade where? You don't want to trade in the middle of the range. So stay away from this center line, right? Let this center line be your target, right? So if we come back down to the low, look to take the market long and look to target the center of this box. We come back to the high, which is where we were back at here. You can look to take it short and then target the lower end of this box, right? Once you understand where you are in price and where you are on the chart, you can make this into the only trades you need to take on the day. The reason why we traded on the 5-second is because you can identify the range much clearer and you can get better entries using the 5-second chart. So
yeah,
hope that helps somebody.
And there's a ton of buying going on right now. I kind of want to see this buying get shut down and us break. Oh, I should have shorted it up there. I should have reversed my position. That'd have been gangsta.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm back to green on the day.
Let's get it. That's all that matters, bro.
Yeah, there's a ton of buying going on this. If this doesn't break out, the Bears are gonna be, or the Bulls are gonna be in trouble, which is why I'm looking to short the bejesus out of this. For the last 9 seconds, it's looking It's looking pretty bullish.
He said big size on the screen. Pause.
All right, they're trying to break out here.
Denied. VIX is pushing us to 70 right now, so I think we're still coming down. Good morning, Kayla. She says hi, bud. Hey, Kayla. SB says, how long do I need to get to this level? What you need to do, shameless plug, is you need to pay the $15 just for 1 week, right? Come to the Discord, and I guarantee we'll turn you into a monthly subscriber. Everybody that's in the Discord right now, in my opinion, even if they have their own strategy, because we don't teach you a strategy per se, but we give you insight on how we read the market, and you can use it however you want to. But if you're struggling and or you need additional, knowledge on the market, join the Discord, man. There's a lot of knowledgeable people. I don't view myself as a teacher. I don't view my Discord members as students. I don't. I view us as a community of traders. That's why we're called the Trader Shop.
Give me one more push-up, baby. One more push-up.
But yeah, bro, I live in the UK. How would the time work? Bro, we in the Discord 24/7.
One more.
That's one thing you'll learn about us. We in there, Tokyo, London. Yeah, we really don't sleep in the Discord. Honestly, somebody's always up. You know what I mean? Like, if it's not me, then is a couple of the other community members or Justin. Like, we're always in there, bro. Always in there. Tape looks good to kind of push up out of here, but we got to get above that. We got to start trading above 24.
No, there it is. Damn.
Now
I ain't get short.
Now y'all understand why I didn't want to short this market.
Are you still in long, Valdez? Did you hold through all that, or did you take profit? No. Mueller? Okay.
He like already ate, baby. Already ate. Yeah, that was bad. That was the high right there. See, if you're trading this range, what did we just say? If you're trading this range, you want to look to get short at the top of the range. Look at the top of the range. You take your short right there, you're out for 10 points already. You're done. Right? That's a 20-point move right there. How much do you need? Right? Like that. Look at this.
I need 1,000. I need 1,000 points.
This is when the greed, you got to check yourself. You got to check your greed at the front door, right? Look at this. This is a short right here. If you just wait till price comes back to the high, right? And you just you just risk the high. The risk is 3.25 points, right? And you're out of this trade for 10 points right there. That's a 3-to-1 risk reward. I mean, what else do you need? Well, I mean, that's 40 ticks. 40 ticks on NQ? Oh. Sorry.
Yeah, are you okay?
I'm good. I don't know, man. Like, the more I look at this stuff, the more we're 100% trying to push out of here.
I think we're trying to go down, actually. I think this could be a bear flag. We got like a rising wedge going on.
Oh, good job, bud. He said, I mean, you do sessions like classes. I mean, I don't want it to miss class. Nah, man. So this is how we run the Discord. You guys come in there, right? And when you get there, you get comfy, right? You come in, we do market reviews every single day at the end of market sessions, right? We haven't done one in a while, but that's because everybody pretty much is good. Like they already know how they want to trade. We do market review sessions, but we're available 24/7, right? So if you got questions, you can just ask us questions. We have structure videos in there. We got supply and demand videos in there. I break down my entire method for how I chart. I break down my entire method for how I look for supply and demand, everything, right? I got a video in there breaking down structure. All of that stuff is already done. It's already in the Discord, right? And then in addition to that, VCs are on Sundays. So whatever time you're available, like we do I do a top-down market analysis on Sunday. And everybody in the Discord, they are in there while I'm recording it, or they'll have the recording as soon as I get done with it, right? As soon as I can download it and put it on the Discord, they got it. Everybody else got to wait till 5 p.m. And if you go back and watch the top-down analysis, there's some gold in that thing. All the last 5 weeks, I haven't missed. And that's not me bragging. That's just me telling you the facts. Like the top-down analysis hasn't missed in 5 weeks. If you just traded the top-down analysis and look for those levels throughout the week, you can't miss. I missed yesterday bad. I literally called 41225, 17-41225 on Sunday as the bounce spot. And I'll be damned if you go look at NQ 17-421. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I forgot I got it up right here. Look. This was yesterday's price action. So we're going to go to the 5 minute, right? I talked about 17-4125 being a level that we could bounce if we start to get super selly. I said look for 17-4125, like to the dot. I'm not even kidding. Like to the letter. Go watch the video and you'll see it. I put a short out, and here's the level right here.
Oh, this is the top of that trend.
17-41225 was the level, and this candle came down. Yes, the low of this candle was 17-4-125 on the dot. Go look at the top-down analysis video, and I'm telling you, I called this level to the nose. And again, the video, the top-down analysis hasn't been missing. The pre-market plan, I mean, oh my God, I'm only up $600 on this thing. Can't short this market, bro. I will not short this market. Bro, this long one. Look, I'm back to zero.
I know. We was in at the bottom.
I'm up 1650. Good job, bud. But bro, I know nothing about trading, like nothing. Would that be a problem? No. What would be a problem is if you come in there and you don't want to show up and you don't want to do any work and you think that we just going to do call outs. That would be a problem because that's not going to happen. You gotta, if you know nothing about trading, if you know nothing about trading, I think the shop is one of the best places for you. But you know, that's just my opinion. It's biased, right? But we trade crypto all weekend, like literally 24/7. We trade crypto to get our reps in, right? But we'll show you everything we know from the ground up. I'm not gonna preach to you, man. Like the Discord link is in the description down below. You lock in at $40 a month now, and the price will never go up for you. If you wait until Hobbs is popular, Hobbs is, you know, pulling out tens of thousands of dollars out of the market on a regular basis, and you're like, yeah, let me get that Discord for $40. It's not going to be $40 anymore. So it is what it is. But like I said, I'm willing to help if you need help.
I knew the shorts were going to come in at some point.
I'm still in. I'm still in. K-Rain 99 says, I highly recommend joining the Discord. Yeah, K-Rain was in there for a little bit. He said he had to go get his paper right and then he coming back. But it is what it is, man. I'm not sure this market.
I still think the shorts can play out. We just didn't get high enough. It's your fault.
It's Justin's fault.
Well, you got long?
You don't need any money to start trading because you don't know how to trade, right? Like if you don't know how to trade, you need to paper trade. You need to just come to the shop and paper trade. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know, and we don't want you to touch a prop firm account. We don't want you to put no money in an account. We don't want you to do anything but learn. Get your education up first, and once you get your education up, then start putting money on these markets. Right now, if you telling me you don't know anything, stay out. Stay out of the market. The real market ain't for you yet. That what's for you is education. And I wish I had somebody like me that would have told me that instead of taking the opposite road. But trust me when I tell you, and I'm sure Justin would attest to this, the best thing to do is to learn first. Still in this short somehow. I don't know. No. I didn't know anything either when I started watching this channel. Dang. Hey, all right, Jonah, man, take it easy, brother. Death to the shorts. What? What did I do? I said short the market right here. I literally put it on the screen. I said, look, this is where I was short the market right here. Okay. Blame it on me, man. I still love you, dog. You still my dog. Dang these bulls. All right, brother. Take it easy, man.
All right, peace.
SB Bud Yeti says he didn't know anything either when he started watching the channel. Yeah, but didn't we meet you in a Twitter space or something like that? I'm not sure. Or are you in
I don't think that
are you
was
in
Bud.
are you in
no, he's in Rodney's group.
I was about to say it, but
yeah, SB, I'm his student.
I passed the 50K eval after I learned some things from Hobbs, and this was before he even went to Dave's mentorship. Him and Jay Seals kill it for real. Hey, thanks, K-Rang. Yeah, before I even
long that. Oh,
yeah, you definitely should have took that long. I told you stop looking for them shorts, bro.
No, I switched. Well, my bias can still be short up here. Shut up. Shut up. I seen what I wanted to see, but this area.
It goes back through it. It's game time.
I'd be up so much right now. Oh my god. That's unfortunate.
You know what helped me out, Justin, is I did what you did, what you told me you did. Are you currently on Discord talking to people as well? Yes, SB. Every time I trade live, the Discord has direct access to us. So they're not muted. They can talk to us through the Discord. This thing is sending.
Oh, I saw the long, but I
just got stopped out too, so it's definitely time to go.
I was in between a rock and a hard place right there.
Yeah,
I was in between a rock and a hard place. I was in between a rock and a hard.
Yeah, Crypto DJ been on Pudney's channel for a long time. Yeah. It's all good, brother. We'll teach you how to trade crypto too. Everything that we teach you works for anything. It doesn't matter what you trade. That's why we paper trade crypto on the weekends. We trade Link, we trade BTC. I used to run the crypto shop. Bud know what's up. I used to have a channel called the Crypto Shop, me and Justin. Every single day we came on and rocked with the Crypto Shop. So we know all about crypto. Oh, like trading it for real? Oh, probably Dex Tools. It was probably it was probably Kayla. Kayla posted something about she posted something about No, but what I was gonna say, Jay, is I went back and reviewed Stoics, all of Stoics images of how he does his little market review. And man, there was this little nugget that he gave that I had been missing, right? And the nugget was what you just called out, which was that double bottom. That's why I thought you were going to stay in, because this was the nugget. This was the nugget that I was missing, because I would always wait on the sweep, and I would fade the double bottom. I'd be like, no, I'm waiting on the sweep. But here on the 5 second, once I see this right here, so I see this miss, and then we push up above. Order flow shifted right here, right? This is the double bottom that I would have been just trying to trade to the top of the range, right? And then you got all of this that came after, but yeah, this was it right here, bro. And then this was the re-entry right here, right? So if you went back on, because this is the 5 second, you can see it much cleaner. So if you went back,
we retested the neckline like to the
we came right back in and retested this neckline right here. So really clean. Really clean.
Yeah, I got my entry off of the tape just because I saw so much there was so much buying on the way up, that push from like 1050 up to 1053. There was a lot of buying. We came back down with less aggressive selling. So I knew there was a good potential. But yeah, I tried to take a dumbass short and got thrashed. I broke my rule right there. I shouldn't have done that.
You took a short?
Yeah, it was.
Every time I see that in this uptrend, every time I see that and they eat it up, I used to trade them a lot. I'd be like, oh, this is the short.
Yeah.
Last night,
I should have waited for structure to break.
Last straw, bro. Last night was the last straw. I said, nope, never again.
Well, I'm seeing a potential head and shoulders right here, which is why I tried to take the early entry, which was dumb. But you can see we got the shoulder, the potential head, and this could be the next potential shoulder right here. And we broke structure down there. So that's why I'm playing. I should have been playing this a little bit more slow. I got anxious and tried to short it too soon. Some people wait.
First of all, this is not a thing in our Discord. Trust me when I tell you, nobody asks more questions than Malik when he started a year ago, right? So one of our members, his name is Malik. Like, that's my dog, but that dude, he still asks questions to this day. And when I tell you, we basically do one-on-one sessions. When I come in the Discord, sometimes I'm just in there, right? In VC, charting or whatever. You can hop in there, hop on the mic or text, right? And ask me whatever you want. And I'll answer and show you everything right then and there. You're getting all the hot sauce from me right now, right? Education-wise, for a very low price. So it's up to you, man. You got to pay for education. No matter what you do, at some point, you're going to have to put your bread up. So you might as well get it for the low, right? You come over here and we got you. But if you don't, it's all good. Like, it's all good. Here's what I can tell you. I can promise you this. If you don't get education, you're going to fail in these markets. This is it. So you need to get it from somewhere. How do I pay? I don't know. I guess it's WAP. So go to WAP. It's in the it's in the description.
Yeah. It is. Yeah, it's at the bottom. It's in the description.
If you go to the if you go to the YouTube, the description down below, there's a link to WAP. Just go over there and you can use debit, credit, I think PayPal. You can use whatever. It doesn't matter. It'll have a bunch of different ways you can pay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bud, you know what it is. Go watch Dave's masterclass. Or that. Also, go watch Dave's masterclass. Dave Teaches FX masterclass. Go watch that video. It's 33 hours of market structure, right? Yeah, I mean, either way, support and resistance, supply and demand. I think.
Woo! Jesus, this market.
No. It's just structure. To me, Mark. I agree. Yeah, you can use PayPal, I think, right, Justin?
I think so.
I don't know. Just go over there. Go over there to
just try. I think you can use PayPal. I think it's enabled. I'm not 100% sure. I can check. This market doesn't want to come down. Let me see. Hold on a second.
You're not quietly over there shorting this market and getting cooked.
No. I'm not shorting.
You should definitely take your profits, bro. Like I think we go to 18,100 today. I told you guys where we were going. I just didn't get back on the retest. Yes. Spend the weekend and watch that free course, man. It's absolutely free, bro.
Yes, you can use PayPal. You can use PayPal, you can use Google Pay, and you can use Cash App, or you can use your card.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought
you just can't.
WAP is better than the other one.
No, don't say it.
Just to hate what I mentioned.
No. Just we are only on WAP. Don't go looking anywhere else.
Oh, I know why you said that. Never mind.
Exactly. Sitting here telling people secrets. Where's
that? Hold on. Let me put that comment back up here. Hang on. Let me find it.
You said I am in UK. I cannot pay in the UK website. Oh yeah. You can do PayPal.
You can pay with PayPal. Yeah, you can pay with PayPal.
I do remember you mentioned Dave's masterclass. I'm gonna watch it first, then I will join. Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, baby?
Man? Yo, this thing is sending, bro. All-time highs incoming, bro.
I should have held that. I should have held that long, man. I should have held that long. Oh.
Who said this market was about to dump? Hey, what's up, Justin's #1 fan? How was your trip?
Yeah, I'm not gonna try to short this market.
Just so stupid. Hey man, I am off now. We'll watch you again tomorrow. Have fun, bros. Hey, no problem, man. Have a good time, bro. Have a good time. I think I'm done until the afternoon session. I think we get one more pullback before we go to all-time highs, but ultimately that's what I want to trade. I think we get one more pullback though. So my wife's home. TraderVate is overwhelmed and not loading new ball evals, and I'm not trading my PA with this. Oh no, because of all the 90% off. Yeah, too many people loading up the 90% off. Perfect weather. Dang, that sounds nice, man. Must be nice. Justin Fubard is entry. He cut too soon, and he missed a banger of a trade, but he's still up on there. So
I'm down on the day on this account. That's not a big deal. I also sized up to a mini. I don't even really care, but yeah, I was in long at like what 902 ish.
You was bought the bottom, bought the double bottom.
Yeah, I was in long at like 902.
And you let him off the hook.
I know.
Wait, where did you say? Oh, you sold on this candle. I bet you sold
at the top. I sold at the top of the range because I thought we were gonna continue to range, and
this could be the double top here though.
Yeah,
this is basically a double top right here. At 976, we tapped exactly 976. Yeah, I don't like that. Anytime we tap a double top easy, like we go directly to it, I'd be like, I'm out.
Well, but we closed over the wick though, so.
Oh yeah, Justin be counting the wicks. He'd be like, nah, bro.
When we close over that wick, nope.
Justin be like, I'm counting it. That's a win.
Yeah, we closed over the wick. The Bulls won.
We did go higher. The wick counts for higher day. That's for sure. All right, I like longs back into 929. If we can push down just a little bit lower, I'd be looking to take longs, but just need a little bit more here.
Well, Nvidia is pretty much consolidating at 780.
Yeah, I like 937 through roughly about 937 to like 916, but we could bounce here at 957 because that's where the structure is right there. I just hate playing structure this tight when we're this close to the high. I'd much rather have this push out, so I'm sure that we want to trade higher, and then I'll let it come back down to this level, and then I'll trade it.
Yeah, ES is actually making a lower high here, which is interesting.
Yeah, this is a clean double top right here. I expect us to potentially change order flow. We'll see.
Yeah, that was such a nice double top or double bottom on the ES too. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
I had this market. Oh, I had it.
Apex has a new promotion on with your code. Get them there. Yes. If you guys want to use Apex accounts, they're 90% off. 1 day pass for the next 3 days. I didn't buy any, but if you want to use the discount code for Apex, is the coupon code is right there. It's rolling across the screen all day long.
In the description,
and it's also in the it's also in the description, so you can copy and paste it over there. It'll take you right there. Even with actually, Jay, you got to put the new code in the description now. It's not a new code, but it's a new they changed their domain.
They changed the domain name. I
dropped it. I dropped it in the Discord. It's got the new domain in there. I just forgot about that.
Well, let me actually see, because a lot of the times what they'll do is
it redirects you.
Yeah, I don't know. It should be a 301 redirect.
But I don't know how long that lasts. I don't know if that's forever or
it should be forever. But I will change it anyway. But it should 301 redirect forever.
Okay. But yeah, either way it go, once you get to the website, you can throw that coupon code in there. You guys can use that. Once you guys can get some more tips. Hey, appreciate you, man. Yeah, those tips come in handy. I'm not gonna lie. They paid me out. They paid me out the other day. I was like, what is this from? I was like, oh, somebody was DJing it and bought like 25 or 14 25K accounts. I said, yeah, with 80%, somebody bought like 14, and it got me to my first affiliate payout. I was like, let's go.
Where did you put it in?
It's in the affiliate links, I think, or maybe in announcements. I'm not sure. It should be in affiliates. Are you still in? Dang, you riding this thing. Let's go. Ooh. Nah, it was. I mean, even with the candlesticks, it looks baby-fied. You find it, Jay? Yeah, I'm up really nicely. I traded really well today, and I'm.
Is there?
Damn.
Is there no P at the end of this?
He trying to beat me today. That's all. He know I took a 55-point banger today, so he like
Hey, Hobbs.
No, I didn't even stretch.
Is there no P?
Nah, I was just waking up. Just waking up in the morning. Got to thank God. Was is
there no P at the end of this? Is that right?
Oh, did I delete the P on accident?
Yeah.
On the coupon code or the link?
The link.
Oh. No. If I could, it would be Trader Shop. What it is you can, if you can, but you gotta. Well, what you gotta do is when you first sign up, you gotta put your name as Trader Shop, right? So because when I first signed up, my name was T Hobbs, and then it was the Crypto Shop. So all of my stuff is connected because I emailed them and I was like, "Yo, can I change this?" They was like, "No." I was like, "What?" Okay, all right, whatever. So yeah, if you look at it, all my stuff says Crypto Shop. Here, Jay, let me get you the actual one here.
Just put it in the put it in the StreamYard. This is looking like a double top potentially to go lower, but I'm done trying to short the market until
I have no bro. See, you should have paper traded with me last night. You wouldn't be saying these words. I promise you. Like, I got took to the school last night, bro. The market was like verifying that you're a human. How you gonna do that?
By clicking the right pictures.
That's it. I ain't never seen it. They trying to get Apex trying to get all professional. They made all this money off of us. My reset money going into this website. Let's see. Nice.
Yeah, I think you'll get your 10, Mr. 10.
I'm waiting on. Dang, they switched this up again.
If we break below 57, you're gonna get catch a body.
Bro, they changed all of this thing up. Banner links, success. Yeah. Get out of here. Get your ass out of here. I'm telling y'all, look, y'all should have paper trade. Hey, yo, listen. Y'all should have paper traded last night. You know what this market was about today. I'm telling you, I learned my lesson I got it all out of my system last night. All of it. I said, I don't want any part of shorts when I woke up this morning. I said, not a chance. You will not catch me short in this market. I don't care how far it dumps. And what did I say? We needed to trade below 65 in order for me to get somewhat bearish. Where'd this market go? 94. We never came below. We just kept holding down there.
There's a sweep.
I ain't buying it. Until we get below, at this point, we got to get below 95 at this point. 96. It's saying you better not short this market. He said, look at this old trusty 1 hour. Yeah, look at the 1 hour and then come back and tell me which direction you think you should be playing today. Like, listen,
that's why I want to see this level right here break below first. I need to see us. There we go. Okay, now I can entertain some shorts.
They say we can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. The choice is yours. The choice is yours. Justin, I dropped that link. Samson. Hey, listen, y'all can keep fighting these bears. Y'all can keep fighting these bulls. Look, what they say, you can live long enough to see yourself become the villain. What they say?
You can
die a hero, or live long enough to see yourself become a villain. You can die a bull, or you can live long enough to see yourself become a bear.
Oops.
I'm willing to ride or die with these bulls, man. Like this thing is.
There we go. Yeah, you just forgot the P.
Oh what? Oh, I was giving you that so you could drop it in the link. You dropped it in the chat.
No, I know. I know. I did it on purpose. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Yeah, mother effer.
My bad, bro. My bad.
I don't know. I think this is yesterday's, but I'll change this.
Yeah, I would need to see us. Let me see. Let me check the 1 minute here. I've been watching on the 5.
Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool with short now at 7.965 is where I
don't think short. The question is, are you going to short? The question is, what is your target? Right? Like I
my
think
target is 10 points
important.
plus or minus.
Okay,
plus or
very well.
Minus,
as long as you just telling me,
my 10.
Yeah, as long as you're telling me, you know what, I'm looking to short, but I'm only looking to get 10. Okay, you know what? I'm with that. Short your little heart out, buddy. You say anything other than 10, this market gonna be like, all right, I got him, bro.
Well, I'm actually with Bravo Jones. We're going back to low of day. Eat your heart out.
Okay.
Eat your heart out. We're going back to low of day.
So y'all. So Jones said,
you're short?
Things.
Okay, good. About to say, would I be short right here?
So you think we're trading back down to 862? I would 100% entertain longs. Yeah. This man, you see how fast you got the 10?
Mr. 10 for 10.
See how fast you got your 10? You didn't even break a sweat. You literally sold and was like, why did I sell so fast? It's because you going in. The problem is, listen, hustle. You gotta go. It's not just that you're going against the trend. You're going against a trend that we haven't seen since the .com bubble, right? Like this isn't your normal trend, and that's what I had to tell myself last night.
This isn't your mom's trend.
Yeah, this ain't your mom's trend, bro. Like this is different. There's no reason. Look, I'm not gonna say no reason. I'm just gonna say that if you're shorting this market, it better be quick, because this market wants to go much higher, guys. I just want to show you something on the 4 hour, right? I'm just going to show you this, right? Just to give you an idea of what's happening right now that you continuously try to short. Look at every 4 hour candle since 2 o'clock Friday or 2 o'clock Wednesday. Look at every 4 hour candle. That means for the last 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, the last 24 hours, these mofos have been doing nothing but buying in this market. That means the only time you guys are getting short, I just want to put this into perspective, right? The only time that you're getting short that was even liable, like that was even decent, was the pullback on this 4 hour candle. Basically, you had to get the top down to basically the bottom, right? Which was maybe 970, less than about 80 points, right? That was the only time, in my opinion, shorts were valid for 80 points. Now, put this into perspective. You to try to short for 80 points. Meanwhile, NQ has rallied in 24 hours, 600 points. Just think about that for a second. 602 points, and 80 of them, we were in a downtrend. No, percentage wise, I am not effing with shorts until they show me something like this candle right here, right? If I can get a nice print like this, then maybe the next day I'll entertain some shorts. But as long as the market looks like this on the 4 hour, I'm not, bro. No, you cannot convince me to short this market. It's not gonna happen. 602, 603 points. We're up 4% in a 24 hours. Are y'all crazy? Like, no, this thing's going, bro. And not to mention, look at his counterpart, right? Like, just look at the counterpart. Look at ES. Let me just show you ES. We haven't seen ES rally. We haven't seen ES rally like this ever. This thing is ES is almost at 5,100.
I wish I would have.
Look at this.
I wish I would have been over there,
bro. ES is
Yeah.
up. ES is up 121 points in 24 hours. Look at and it's not like they're slowing down. Look at bookmap. And usually exactly. Usually on bookmap, what we see is exhaustion. We're not seeing exhaustion from the buyers. We're seeing price acceptance, and they're willing to buy more at a higher clip. They bought the entire dip yesterday in an hour. They literally bought back damn near the entire dip in an hour. If you guys think that they're done buying, you're crazy. You are crazy.
Yeah,
I'm not saying don't short the market at all. I'm just saying just look at the clues. Don't fade the obvious to try to get what you think is going to happen, because that's where I was last night. I know exactly where you guys are. You're fading what you think should happen. You're fading the obvious because you think the market is going to slow down, but this market is just keeps going. Like look at the stocks. 1,800. Let's go. Printing. Look, we going to 18,000, bro. Like 18,121 is where I think we're going, because the market wants new all-time highs. ES already got it. ES is up 23 points from the all-time high that was put in a week ago, and we blew past it. It took us a week to get to all-time highs. It took us 12 hours to get back up there and make a new one. If that don't tell you something, you need to really start thinking about your life decisions right now. Just think about what's happening right now, y'all. Do not fade the obvious because you think you know what's going to happen. Just trade what you see. And once I understood that, I just started long in the market. I said, okay, I'm just going to trade structure. Structure has not broken to the downside. No matter how many times you see these little red bubbles on bookmap, we have not broken structure to the downside at all. And that structure is not going to break until we break below, first, 955, and second, 866. That's when you can start to entertain, in my opinion, comfortably entertain a sell-off. But this market hasn't even shown none. All we got was a higher low, and then whoop, right back up. So that's my rant for the day. Stop fighting the obvious.
That was a good rant. That was a good rant.
I'm just trying to bring y'all back home, man. I'm trying to bring y'all back home. Shorts are short-lived. Exactly, boy. Exactly. Like, just don't fight the feeling, man. Just go with it.
Don't fight the feeling.
Oh, don't fight the feeling. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, don't act like I don't know. I'm 40, boy. You better recognize I grew up on Too Short. Plus words, just let them flow. Bro, don't get me going, bro. Don't get me going. Come on, man. You ain't messing with no rookies over here, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm out here, bro. You better recognize. Y'all just don't know my resume. I'm gonna share it with y'all at some point. I'm out here. Not no more. I used to be out here. My wife took all that gangster stuff away. Wait, ain't no way you 40? Yeah, I'm 40, bro. I'm actually 41 or 42. One of them. You stop counting once you get over like 30 or something like that. Yeah, I didn't learn trading until I was like, shoot. I didn't start learning how to trade until I was like 37. That's why I'm teaching my kids now, because this is a one-up. Justin's got a huge one-up on me. I mean, he's got. Just think where Justin's going to be when he's my age as a trader. It's going to be crazy. 10 years from now. That's what I mean. Like, that's crazy, bro. Yeah, but again, bro, like we started late, and that's okay because we learning a skill that we can pass on to our new generation, right? Like the new generation. Justin's learning a skill, and Justin started learning this when he was in his 20s. Right, like that's crazy, and he's late
20s.
But late 20s, like now you can start teaching your kid, your daughter can learn, your son can learn. Like I'm learning this late, my brain old, but you know what I mean. Like, bro, I'm teaching everybody to listen, bro. Like family get the free discount. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, another. Yeah, nah, bump that, man. I told my son said, miss me with them college hoops dreams, bro. Like, it's too. I looked at this. I told my son, I said, look, I'm gonna tell you like most parents ain't gonna tell you when you say you want to go to the league. I said, you ain't gonna make it. I said it's hot out there right now, bro. I said, let me just tell you like this. I said, everybody that's coming to the league right now, this is the elitist era of the NBA that's coming. He said, what do you mean? I said, every person that joined the league that was a high school player or early college basketball player, they had children. And guess what they did? They did something that's never really been done. They taught all of them how to play basketball. They've trained them with other NBA players. Bro, come on. You get into the league now. If you thought it was hard to get to the league in the 80s, you can forget about it. If you don't got elite training, I said, you're going to start trading. You're going to start playing hooping. Think you about to go to the league at 13? Bro, I said, these mofos been hooping since they was 4 on a 10-foot rim. Yo, no. I watched my son be watching the high school games on like Netflix or something. They got them like or Amazon Prime.
Oh, you talking about the overtime?
I came to the crib. I said, what are you watching? What college team is that? He said, these dudes is in high school, daddy. Mofo's coming out doing reversals, windmills, shooting from half court like Steph. I said, oh, the league about to be in trouble, bro.
Yeah, Steph Curry changed the game for real.
They getting paid. Oh, they gonna have to.
Or add a 4-point. They need to add a 4-point from half court. Dame Lillard.
Did you see Dame in the All-Star game come across half court and shoot that thing from half court like it was a free throw? I said, come on, man. He said Dame time. So they put up 211 points at the All-Star game. 211 points. Never been done. This league is crazy right now. Represent chat. Let's get it. 41 Club. Oh, bro. Oh, voice says, bro, I'm 26. You look younger than me. God bless. Hey, thanks, man. It's my mama, man. I got my mama jeans. Fights only ignite gunplay, so I say watch your back and don't come around my way. ESNQ. Let's get it. Southside player. How old is Dave? I noticed all top trader learn trader late. I think Dave is Justin's age. I don't think he's my age. I think he's a little older than Justin. I'm not sure.
What does this market want to do up here?
13, like 7-1. Yeah, exactly. See what the cheese? Yeah, man. But shoot, emotion-wise, bro. Look, I'm looking down at the floor right now. Like emotions are heavy in trading. I'm looking down at the floor of my trash can. Last night I was paper trading, right? And I kept shorting the market, and I just kept getting cooked. I got so mad. I threw my do-rag in the trash can. I just looked down. I said, why is my do-rag in the trash can? I said, oh, yeah, that's right. I was like, what is wrong with me? Why do I keep shorting this market? Yo, this market is unshortable, bro. Like, you see all of the top traders right now. If you look at their trade history, I guarantee the majority of their trades on NQ been longs because they understand what's happening.
The one dude in Dave's Discord that he made $300,000.
$300,000 just long in the market.
Every single trade was long. He took 17,000 trades and they was all to the upside. Exactly. Like how nuts is that?
It's like, why would you do anything else? Like the market is telling you go long. Even when we was short. When we were coming down, the longs were still printing for like 100, 200 points.
Uh-oh. This might be the short, though. We just got real busy. Let's see if this gets ate up.
I don't believe it. Show me something for real.
Damn. Bro. I was in long there. I got stopped out for break even. We just broke the high and came right back down.
We're going higher, man.
I mean,
anyway, guys,
too, but...
it's 10:44. Jay, you ready? Hobbs got me rolling. I'm just keeping it a buck, man. Oh yeah, I just try to keep it a buck. I'm ready to go get some food and then come back to this market. I got to make some beef salad today, so I cook for the fam. Yeah, you got anything else, Jay? I know I went on like multiple rants today. Justin literally told me I talk too much sometimes, so he just be letting me go is what he told me. So all to the good.
Well, I was also trying to, as you was talking, I was really focusing on trying to get this price up to 18,000, but we didn't get there. I still think we go, but
yeah, I think we go. I think we're just kind of consolidating up here. We just broke major structure, so we're consolidating until what's our new time? What's our next time, Pippy? Let's see, 10:50. Oh no, it's 11:50 right now. 1:30. Yeah. I'll be back at around. I'll be back at around like. Yeah. I'm definitely. Yeah. But it's all good. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning into the Trader Shop. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T Hobbs. Oh, before I go, link to the Apex code is right there. I know y'all about to go load up on these 90% accounts. Look out for the shop. Drop the Apex code in there. Load up on the accounts and be safe out here, man. Continue the education. Continue to do things the right way, whatever you deem that to be. And you guys take care. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow, man. From the Trader Shop, we out.